Morning, morning, morning. Morning, everybody. How we doing? Y'all good? W's in the chat. What is good? Happy Tuesday, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yes, sir. It is time. We are back for the New York session. I'm ready to go. I am ready. Zoom link is... Hold on. Zoom. All right, Zoom link is out. I'm ready to go. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Who do we got here today? Who do we have here today? Let's see. Wissam33. There we go. What up, Wissam? What up, Gotta Trade? Good morning, Roy. Good morning, Dennis Hood. Bink. Sergio TT Bank Santos in the house. What up, Sergio? What's good, Freddie? FX Silverino's in the building. Z Gamers in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Louis G? What's up, everybody? Pablo's in the house. Leo Braxton's in the house today. What up, Leo? Alexandros in the building. What up, Dominic? What up, Brittany Spears? Bink. Good morning, Ewan. Who else we got? Who else? I can't read it now. AB Mike is in the house. What up, Lucas? It's good. Who else we got? Who is here today? Level Up is in the house. Stephen B is in the house. The one and only. Yeah, what up? Jaden's in the house. Hero of the day is here. All right. What's good? All right, let's get going here. I think we are good. Let me just share my screen. Oh, Bruno's in the house. PM Magnifico. All right, Zoom. All right, cool. What up, everybody in Zoom? Welcome in. Welcome. Perfect. Good morning, Joseph. Good morning, brother. All right. Y'all ready to go? I think we're good. Let me drop these down here. Move it over so you guys don't have to look at it. Bruno Mars is here. Yeah, Bruno Mars. Oh, Professor X is in the house. Crypto Madden. What up, Crypto Madden? How you doing, man? Good to see you. DT Gamer. All right. Let's jump into it here, chat. I think we are good to go. Let me lower the music a little bit. We are recording. Everything is good. All right. Awesome. Well, good to see you all here today. Good to see everybody. Welcome back to another New York live stream. It is Tuesday. It is the 28th of November, and we are on the tail end of the month here, gang. So we're going to take a look at what we got going on here today, as always, by beginning with the news, right? Seeing what's in the headlines here, anything that we should be aware of today. But it doesn't look like there's too much, right? So Tuesday, not too much going on here. It is just 9 a.m. You have some S&P stuff going on, and then 10 a.m. you've got this consumer confidence here. So that's about it here for us today. There's, obviously going to be these speakers that are going on, so there may be some volume coming in from that, but we'll see what happens. We'll see. NY Open is pretty clear for us. NYSE Open is semi-clear as well, and then the news will begin to follow that, and the speeches and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts, because it is Tuesday the 28th. It's another day to be disciplined here in the markets. It's another day to be professionals, and we're going to do just that here by planning out the day. So let's pop this open. This is what I have for gold. Just had this from the Asian session last night, and it looks like price has just remained in the range, right? So price has been stuck in the range a bit, but let's go ahead and get rid of all of the drawings here, and let's see where we're at fresh price action wise. All right, y'all ready? You guys give the stream a like. Let me like the stream here. Let me pull the stream up real quick. Oh, I gotta change the record too. Let me let me give the stream a like. Yeah, if you guys can like the stream as you settle in here today, and if you're not subbed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, man. Yeah, Patrick, yep. Yeah, I have to update the record. Yep. Just said that. Let's do that before we make any moves here at all today. So let's put 32, and then monthly is 2. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis. Let's pray real quick. If you guys can pray real quick. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus. We thank you for another opportunity, man, another day to be great, Lord, to come out here and do what you've called us to do. I pray that lives are impacted. I pray that hearts are turned this morning. I pray that you would bless people, Lord, that you would answer their prayers in whatever way, and whatever way they're asking, and Lord, that it would be obvious to them that it's the hand of you, Lord. So we thank you for it. We ask you to bless this session, and we give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Awesome. Y'all ready? Yes, sir. All right, lovely. So let's get into a breakdown here. Let's go over this fresh price action, and let's see where we're at. Let me lower the music just a little bit more. Hold on 1 second. All right, lovely. I think that's good. Music good? I think it's good. Amen. Hallelujah. Amen's in the chat. Amen's in the chat. All right, let's do it. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here with gold, right? So as we approach the end of 2023, it's been quite a year. Let's go ahead and look at the 1-year chart here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the yearly candle here. And just to get an idea, right, we very, 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 very rarely ever look at the yearly chart, but being that we're done here in 1 month and 2 days, I think it's a great idea to take a look and see what's going on. So the yearly chart here has clearly been moving up, right? Gold has obviously been moving up for quite some time. We moved up, we made this extremely nice bullish run here, and then came down, created support, moved back up, and now it looks like gold is trying to create a support, right, on the yearly chart. And if this was a 30-minute chart, right, what would we see here? We would see a support formed and then the potential breakout, right? So we have not broken the highs yet. We have not broken the highs of 2020, but we're attempting to do that here, right? We're attempting to create support, and if this candle closes above this 19, or what is this? What is that? 18.99, right? If that candle closes above 18.99, then you'll most likely see gold start breaking through these all-time highs here and start moving up for next year, right? So very interesting, very, very interesting where we are on the yearly chart. And if we will break these highs or not, right? Or if we will close above the range here. So pretty cool, man, to see gold way up in the all-time highs, way up in the clouds here on the yearly chart. So that's what we're looking at here, right? If we break these yearly highs, you may see a push. Let's go ahead and take a look at the monthly chart. Taking a look at the monthly now, right? So monthly candle has a very strong resistance right here. Right, so that's a very strong resistance on the monthly chart. Let's draw it let's draw it right here. Very, very strong resistance in which this candle here never closed above, right? What do we know about ranges? What do we know about resistances, right? What do we know about volume? That typically when the volume will come in is when a candle finally closes above, okay? So this candle here did not close above. The new monthly candle is working on it, right? It's working on closing above. I honestly have a feeling that we push up, but then we come back down here. But who am I, right? I'm just some random dude. So it doesn't matter what I feel. We're just going to watch price action and follow price, okay? Now, again, we are in these all-time highs. You guys see this is the 2020 yearly high. This is that 2021 year or 2022 yearly high. And then we were back in this area earlier this year in May. So we came down, we moved back up here, and now it's all about what will this candle actually do. Will this candle close above the range, right, indicating that price should continue moving up, or will this candle give us some sort of a fake out, right, and just end up closing bearish? So that's what we need to figure out. Now again, this candle closes in 2 days. 2 days and 10 hours. We got 3 more New York sessions. This candle will be closing on Thursday here. So we we'll see, right? We'll see how we end up closing. But again, we did close at resistance. Doesn't necessarily mean that we're not going to keep moving up, but this candle is going to be able to guide us a little bit better, and we'll see how that looks in 2 days here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. Weekly has been off to a pretty good start. It's ripped up with making no bottom wick. Again, we did not close above resistance on the weekly chart as well. So again, this candle can very, very easily wick up and then close back below by Friday, right? Looking something like this for price to continue moving down. So weekly candle has just opened yesterday. It's got no bottom wick on it just yet. We are pretty bullish though, based off of what's going on here, and there is a wick to fill. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily to see how we're really gonna take positions here today. So taking a look at the daily, if we zoom in here, right, we have a support. Now, as you guys know, price really pushes off support well, right? So the daily candle now is way up here. So where is that support? 250 pips away. I personally think, just as if this was a 30-minute candle, you may need a little bit of a pullback here, right? You may need a little bit of a pullback to continue down. We also did close yesterday right at this resistance level to the left. Some of you guys see the resistance here to the left-hand side. We closed right at it, right? So there's a chance that we can keep moving, but there's a very high chance if we're closing right at resistance. And if you notice yesterday, this wick right here, we tapped right into that wick, right? And price ended up moving down from that point. So being that we never closed above this area, then there's a possibility that either today could be a bullish dud if we don't break this high, or if we break the low, we may start to move bearish. So with that in mind, right, with this logic in mind, if we break the highs, previous highs, we should move up pretty hard, right? We have clean traffic to the left-hand side on the daily chart to continue moving up. So if we break that high, there should be volume, right? Now, if we break this, if we're in this overall rejection zone here and we end up not breaking the high, right? Going back to, hold on, let me grab this. Going back to this area, right? If we reject this area and fail to break the high and break the low, then what's the chance that this candle may close bearish or move bearish for the New York session here? It couldn't break the highs in Asia, couldn't break the highs in London. If it can't break the highs in New York and ends up breaking the lows, then there's a high chance you're going to see a pretty strong push down, okay? So with that being said, let's mark off this high, let's mark off this low, and let's go ahead and take a look at the lower time frames in which we're going to take positions on today to see if it makes sense to take positions on closures above or below, you know, breaking that high or breaking that low. So let's first take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour is created support and is struggling. We actually did end up filling that wick here, but we're struggling here. A lot of just weak 4 hour candles, right? Let's go down to the 1 hour and see what that looks like as well. So what do you know, right? There just happens to be, let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, so there just happens to be support right in this area, right? So this is the break of the daily low. This is the break of the daily high. Simple, gang, simple. Let's mark off this resistance on where the bodies have closed, and we're going to take our buys today above 2017.250. That's where I'm going to look to take my buys above today. If you get an actual candle to close, that means technically now we are re-breaking the daily highs and the previous daily highs. And if we're doing that, what did we just discuss? That if we did that, price should move up. That means you will typically see a juicer, right? A nice big 1 hour / 30-minute type of candle here. So we're going to look for buys above 2017.250 here today. Clean buys above on this bullish day. And then what we'll do, or what I'll do here, is taking a look at the hour chart. I think if you can get a closure below 2012, then let me see what that looks like. Yeah, 2012, I will look to take range 2 sells. And then below 2008, I'll look to take just clean sells coming down. So this is the break of the low, right? This is the break of the daily low. This is the break of the daily highs. This is the break of the previous daily candle highs. So if we do break one up or down here today, there should be lots of volume considering what we just spoke about based off of that daily chart. Cool. So that's what I'm going to do here today. This is going to be a no trade range here for me. I think it's the same no trade range as yesterday right here. But anything below is pretty decent for range 2 sells. Anything in this, anything below 2012 here. And then if it's not perfect, we won't take it though, right? Because we took our celery play in this range yesterday and, you know, ended up spiking back up there. But anything below 2008 for sure is saucy here today. But we'll take a look at range 2 sells below 2012. But, you know, not touching anything here from 2012 to 2017, and then anything closures above there is going to be good money for me today. So those are going to be the green ranges I'm going to look to potentially take trades in today. I'm going to stay out of the red range by all means here, and just going to wait. Yeah, just going to wait on it. Cool. Questions, comments, concerns? Talk to me. Pretty simple day. Pretty simple day here on gold. All right, W. Good stuff. Hey, what up, Andrew Tater Tot? I told my wife about it yesterday. I said, yo, we got a guy in here named Andrew Tater Tot. She giggled. She giggled. All right, cool. W analysis. That's what we'll stick to here today, gang. This is the job. So your job is done. Now your job is done. So the only thing you have to do moving forward here is all you have to do is execute when the opportunity presents itself. Okay, that's it. So right now your job is completely done. Now you wait for the playbook setup to show itself. Then you have one more job to do. It's to execute the trade, to manage a trade, and that's it. Coolest job in the world. Coolest job in the world. Yeah. Lost 6K overnight. Oh, nice. Join the club. Another day to be disciplined. Exactly. Yeah, Sergio. We're going to end the year strong here, man. We're going to end the year really strong here. Really strong. Let me just dress this up, make it look all good. And probably won't consider buys below there. So, yeah, I'm going to look for range 2 sells below here. Boom. All right, let me clone it. And that's good. And the target here for buys is going to be so this is a bit of a stretch. Let's go see if we can find some better price action, more relevant here. So yeah, so the target here on buys is probably going to be up in this like 2021 area. And then look, once you get above 2021, right, now you have very clean traffic. I would say probably until this like 2029 zone here. Yeah, if we look at this 2029 zone, we've had a lot of hits here. Boom, 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 boom. Candle came down, made a bottom. Yeah, so probably 2029 is going to be the target above 2021. So there is some range here, man. That would also line up with the daily target as well. This is an 80 pip range. Below here is a 40 pip range. So yeah. Yeah, you got like 120, 130 pip move here if we do decide to pump up here on the daily. Yep. So let's I'm just gonna, sorry about all the lines here today. Typically there's not this many lines, but we're gonna leave some stuff here today. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is going to be good. So yeah, that's going to be our original range here for buys. So let's measure this out. That's going to be about a 40 pip range. So it's definitely a tradable range. So that'll be the first target. And then if we start climbing through these ranges here, there's going to be a lot of clean moves up. So let me just clone this. Yeah, this is your range, right? So these are your ranges for the day. So it's pretty simple, you know, like if you have, let's do this, right? You have the white range up here, which is probably the cleanest range of the day, above 2022. You have the red range, right? Or we'll call this one the red range because it's going to be a no trade range. We have the purple range here, right? We have the, where the ladies at? We got the pink range right here. Where the ladies at? Got the pink range here, and then we have the orange range below here, right? So these are your ranges here today. This is where gold will trade in, right? So when you get closures and when you get candles that print in these ranges and start closing, let me test you guys real quick, right? Is this a good position to take? Let's say we close, right? We create this support and we close looking like this. Is this a good trade here? The ladies. All the single. What up, Yanosh? What's up, Classic Trader? TK's in the house. All the mods are pouring in here. All the mods are pouring in. This is a great trade to take, right? Because you're in the bottom of the purple range here, right? And price should be able to move in this range very, very nicely. Now, is this a good position to take here? Right? Closure right here. Are we going to take our buys here? Would this be smart? Probably not. Right? Probably not, because we're at the top of this range. We really don't have much wiggle room. Of course, price can blow through it, but we're at the top of the range. So what are we going to wait for if something like this happens? If something like this happens, we're going to look towards the 30-minute and the 15-minute. And of course, we want to be a part of the purple range, but we need a pullback, right? We need some sort of a support to be formed, because where do you want to take your buys from? Where do you typically want to take buys? You want to take buys off of a nice support, right? So if you get a support to form, all we do is we look at this move and we go, yo, this one wasn't our move, right? But if we get a support now, and it's a little bit later on in the session, and we were willing to be patient and disciplined and not get stopped out by taking an overextended breakout like we did in, February, March, April, June, July, August, September, right? We take these buys now moving up, right? And now if you move up in here, now you have a nice runner, right? Because what do we know about gold? What do we know about price action? Price action will, let's say on a bullish day, will move up. It will create a resistance. It will come down to create a support, and there's an 85% chance now that this resistance will get retested right there. That's why we always close partials here, right? That's why you guys sometimes oh man, you closing partials at 18 pips? Oh my God, I could see gold going to 20 million. No, right? We have to listen to what the markets are telling us. We understand. If you can understand this move right here, you guys will never work another job in your life. If you can just get familiar with this, price comes up, create resistance, comes down, create support. There's an 85% chance this next candle or two will retest that resistance, and that's where you close your partials. This is what allowed me to basically be at home with my wife and kids every single day. This one move right here, right? This one concept right here. It's very simple, gang, right? Very, very simple. So we're going to wait for that, right? If we get an overextended breakout. Same thing goes for sells, right? You're going to need some sort of a pullback. You're going to need some sort of a pullback if you close too far down, right? Now, if you close right here, right, then okay, we have a decent opportunity. Or if we close right here, there's a decent opportunity. But if you're closing here, then gang, I got news for you. Pack it up, you missed a move, right? Just be cool with that. There was times early on where I was not cool with it, right? I didn't get an entry. Let's say candle, Candle never closed below here, blah, 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 right? I wanted to take a sell so bad, but there was a support right here. The next candle drove. You just got to be cool with it, man. Just got to be cool with it. So stick with these ranges here today. Understand where candles are closing within the range, so that way you have a good idea and a good read on whether or not the next candle should drive or not, or whether or not it's worth it, you know, to get in there. Cool. Sweet. Looking for a trading partner? How many people are here today? You got like 1,000 trading partners here. Yeah, you got like 1,300 people here that could be your trading partner. Hey, I'll be your trading partner. I'll trade with you. What up, Green? All right, gang, so keep this in mind. Look, keep this in mind. This is something that really helped me out, right? Color coordinate. I mean, you don't have to color coordinate your ranges, but understand where the ranges are and what range you're participating in and where you're in it, right? That's the biggest thing, is where are you participating? What range are you in, and are you near the bottom? Are you near the top? What's going on, right? So this has helped us no longer take those overextended breakouts. This has also helped us taking better positions by waiting for onion or support or resistance to be formed before just jumping in, and I think it'll help you guys too. Ranges, baby. Hey, yo, Pakistan. Can we implement this strategy with risk RR? Yeah, man, let me tell you, you guys are about to see something awesome. All right, I'm very confident. I have done my homework. Although you guys see me here every day, I still do my homework, man. And I've been able to really dive deep into my trading this year, to my trading stats, to my trading psychology, and I've really been able to get a good handle on things. And one thing for sure is we know how to take winning trades. We know how to take good quality trades. We obviously win a lot more than we lose, and now it is time to lower our losses. And we talked a lot about this in the 3-day boot camp, right? Who was at the 3-day boot camp and got a lot out of what we talked about, right? We talked about, and I won't spill too much of the beans, right? But we talked about this, right? We have 32 losses, right? 32 losses, 109 wins. All right, pretty good. I'm not concerned about this number here. This number, I'm not mad about that. I think this record is awesome. My brother Joe is top 300 in the world in that video game NHL, and his record is like 140. All right, so there's no doubt we know what we're doing. There's no doubt we know what trades to take. We're some of the best traders on the internet, gang. Like, we're some of the best traders out there, and we show everything, right? So the 32 is not what I'm so much concerned with. It's the amount of percentages lost, because as we did the yearly review in the boot camp, we noticed that there were some 4% losses, right? 4% losses in there. There were some 3.8% losses, right? There were some 3%, right? So these are losses that'll no longer go down, right? So now what my main thing as a trader is some of the things that we learned, we went over, but it's not to really dumb this number down. That's totally fine. It's to dumb this number down, right? And on any trade we take, because what is risk, right? What is risk? Risk is the price you pay to find out if your idea is going to work. Does that make sense? I don't think many people talk about risk in that way. Risk is the price you pay to find out if the move that you believe in is going to work or not. Okay? So and this is when I was using fixed lot sizes, right? So now what we're doing is we're using fixed percentages, right? And My full risk is 2%, right? My half risk is going to be, and forgive me, I'm lefty and I'm trying to do this with my right hand. My half is going to be 1% here, right? So now this will never happen, this will never happen, and this will never happen. So even if the number stayed 32, it would only be half of, let's say, the percentage loss, right? And now what did we also figure out? Well, we figured out, let's not take any overextended breakouts. Let's not take positions at 8 a.m., especially if the support candle doesn't have a bottom wick. Let's wait for the pack runner. So the overextended breakouts, I believe, were like 10 of the losses that we took. So just avoiding those positions in 2024, we already bring this 32 down to 22, right? And by taking care of this stuff and managing our trades now, that 22 becomes half, right? Let's say it's even half. So in reality, it's almost like we're going to take maybe 12 losses, right? 12 losses on the year. So this is the work, gang, right? This is the work. Never once have I come up here and said I'm a perfect trader. I have a 100% win rate. I'm the most amazing thing since sliced bread. Listen to everything I say. Never once. What did I say? I said I'm just a regular dude who has pretty good results trading. I'm still working on my game. I'm still growing. I understand I can still make improvements, and that's what you're seeing me do here, right? So I appreciate you guys for being on the journey with me, and I hope it helps, right? But this is what we're working on. This is what we're working towards. So not only will we won't be taking some positions that we took last year, which, you know, ended up in some losses, but we'll also be working on our risk, right? Because if you guys remember yesterday's trade, we had a beautiful celery play right here, right? Had sell stops on the break of the lows, kept our stops above here. We started to manage this position. The last few trades, you guys may have seen me do things a little bit differently, even in profits, right? Even when we were moving in profits, we would take the risk down a little bit, So instead of risking 2%, right off the jump yesterday, we minimized that to like 1.5%. Right, so you guys will see all these little different tweaks and adjustments as we cruise into the new year, right? Because I know that the new year begins now, right? So if you're gonna make a change, if you're gonna make a difference, if you wanna, you know, become better in the new year, it all starts now, right? If you're gonna start in January, you're behind the ball, man. You're late. You're late. Guys like me are gonna run right by you because we're already working, right? We're already grinding. We're already being honest with ourselves and saying, what can I improve? What can I get better at? So that's what you guys have to do as well. You know, I took a look into my trading. You guys have to take a look into your trading and see where can you make improvements, right? Where can you get better? I promise you, there's never a point where you're going to say, I'm the best. There's nothing I can improve, right? There's always something you can improve. So understand that it's a journey here. It's a long-term game here. Cool. The boot camp was very useful. Yeah, we talked a lot about this in the boot camp. Yeah, we got deep in the boot camp, man. We really did a whole year review. We looked at almost every trade. We looked at every loss. We identified what those trades were. Again, a lot of them were trades that were overextended breakouts. That was the biggest amount of trades we lost were due to taking trades off overextended breakouts, and we identified that this year. Right, we identified that. And then one thing as well, and how many people we got here? 1,400. Yeah, so I kept it pretty real with the boot camp. I'll keep it real with you, right? I went from trading with the boys, right? So you got to understand me, right? And where I'm at too. Remember, regular guy, right? I'm not your IG guru. I'm not none of that. I'm just a regular dude here. So I was trading with the boys, 4 or 5 of the boys for 2 years, right? And then I get on the live stream, right? So now I'm trading in front of hundreds and then thousands of people that are watching my every move, watching my every trade. So I also have to make an adjustment in terms of my own psychology, right? And see, you know, from going from just me looking at my trades to hundreds and thousands of people looking at the trades, right? And hey, maybe we closed early. right? One thing we're going to work on too as well is taking advantage of that volume, right? Really taking advantage. When we got a 930 candle that we understand could really push here, instead of closing at, 15 pips, hey, let that sucker go, right? Let it go for that. We looked at the journal and we noticed there were some times, especially around 930, where let's just say we closed at 14, but price ran for 36. Right? 930. Just a one example here, right? Closed at 23, price ran for 37. I don't know. Let me try and find another one. Closed at 10, went for 20. Closed at 12, went for 20. Closed at 10, closed at 15, went for 36, right? A lot of these are going to be at 930. What do we see here? 930, right? So now understanding that I'm past that, right? I've gotten to the point where I'm comfortable trading with you guys, and it's just normal for me now. It's regular. So now what you'll see me do is start to hold those trades a bit longer when it calls for it, right? So not only are we going to cut our losses short, here we go. Not only are we going to take less losses this year, right? We're going to make this 32 even smaller, more like 22 or 12, and we're also going to cut this percentage loss out and hold winners for longer. So just get ready. Just buckle up. Telling you, if you're gonna follow us, if you're gonna run with us, you're gonna grow, you're gonna learn, you're gonna become better as a trader. And it's gonna take time, but time's going by anyway, so embrace it. You dig? Hey, Inspire Your Soul, good morning. Good morning. What up, Alan Forex? Yeah, I like that. I think Roger said it best. If you're in profit Monday and Tuesday, you could start holding more the rest of the week. Yeah, I love to do that too. Yep. Yeah. That's why when we were looking for that position on Friday, I was already in profits like 5% on the week. So I was like, if we get a runner here on Friday, I'm not closing anything. I'm just gonna let this thing run. So, yeah. Yep, I agree. Yeah, the one thing that, and I used to keep this right, not in this house, but in my other house, I would keep this thing right in front of me at all times. And it was a quote by Raja, and it said, managing risk is just as important as winning a trade. And we talked about two ways of managing risk here on in the boot camp as well, risk management A and B, and both of them work. Both of them have pros, both of them have cons. Right now, we're managing risk based off of candle closures for quite some time this year, and it worked really well for us. But when we did take a hit, we took a bigger hit, right? So now, and we weren't really able to manage risk, right? And towards the beginning of the year, quarter one, quarter two, we were able to manage risk really well in that style. But as we moved after the summer months, it became very difficult for some reason to, I don't know, price switched up, right? The markets have quarters, they have seasons, just like you have, summer, fall, winter, spring, right? The markets have their own seasons as well. And, you just got to adjust on the fly. And here's the work of the trader, right? You don't want to adjust too early. You don't want to adjust too late, right? You want to really get a good read on the markets and be able to be efficient and effective with everything, right? That's the work as a trader. That's the work profitable traders do, is they continuously adjust to current market conditions, and we're no different. What up, Jimmy Lambo? He said trade my Forex fund 100K 2 years, and I went back your old streams. February I saw that you just bought it. Yeah, that was one for the live stream. Yeah, that we started a new one on the live stream. Yep. Much newbie, learning so much from you. Oh, nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Good stuff. Makes sense. Thanks for the answer. Hey, thanks for the question. That was a good question. I'm glad we were able to go through that here. $26K subs. Oh, pray for 30K before 31st. Yeah, hey, 30K subs. Hey, if you're not subbed to the channel, you like the information you're learning here today, give a sub to the channel and really treat this as like your university, man. You guys want to get good at trading, you don't have to look any further, right? Your opportunity is right in front of your eyes here today. So lock in, lock in and really commit. Really commit to this thing. Some of you guys, maybe you never really committed to anything in your life. That was me at one point, right? I felt like a loser, man. And then, network marketing came into my life, and it was the first thing I was really, especially after I quit baseball and stuff, I felt like a loser for a couple years, just doing whatever, going with the flow and, not setting any goals or anything anymore. And, I would pick something up and put it down and pick it up and put it down. And, once I really committed to a better life, things really started to change. Things started to work in my favor, right? Not right away, but over time, things started actually, lining up perfectly for me. So with a lot of prayer and a lot of consistent dedication, things will work out for you. Things really will, but you got to believe it up here first. What is psychology before taking a trade? What do you mean? My psychology before a trade is just simply checking off the boxes. Remember, having a playbook will limit thinking, right? That's what it's designed to do. A playbook is designed to limit your thinking. Okay, so I just need to make sure the playbook is there, and then I will take the shot, right? And just like I said yesterday, once we got into that position, what did I say? Okay, everyone relax. Our job is done, right? We've planned this trade. We've executed this trade. This trade has a 92% win rate, and now we will leave it into the hands of those probabilities, right? That was it. That's every trade I take. It now goes into the hands of probability. So no longer do I need to think, because I don't control the movement. I control recognizing, sample sizing, understanding candles, understanding the way price moves. That's my job. My job isn't to move the price. It's just to understand typically when it will move and how it will move and execute on that. Yeah, job's done. And look, I think yesterday was a perfect, I'm talking perfect trade post boot camp. Because we went over everything and we just got a dose of it all, man, right on that first trade, right? We all played our position plate. We all played it to the T, right? We were disciplined. We seen our playbook position. We execute on it with confidence. We had a chance to manage risk in that situation, right? We talked about managing risk. We also had a chance to what was I going to say? Basically, we took our number one trade at our number one time. We executed. We were able to manage risk, and we were able to lose less than we anticipated. And then we were also able to deal with those emotions and not react in any negative or like I don't know, negative way towards the market or ourselves, right? Because we understand that there's a probability that comes along with the game. All right. And if you don't know that, what are you doing, man? You're just a newbie if you don't know that. So I'm trying to help you guys get it here today. Oh, nice. Let's go, Luca. Let's go, Luca. What up, Forex Frank? Hey, Forex Frank. I was in the villages on Thanksgiving. But I can't remember what villages you live in, and you don't have to say it here in front of 1,500 people. But yeah, I was thinking about you. Boot camp videos are going to be out on Thursday, gang. Are you high? Can we get high and trade? I mean, I think you're high because you've asked that question about 9 times at this point. Yeah, I think you are high as can be. Leo, yeah, that's W. Shout out to Leo. Leo, you won the giveaway, right? Didn't you win the giveaway? Yeah, I was really praying for everyone who won those giveaways, man, because you know, that's a random thin thread opportunity, man. And I hope you take it for what it's worth and really use it to catapult your life, bro. Well, what happened with pound yen too? Let's take a look at GJ here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly and the daily. So weekly's moving down here. Daily did close bearish yesterday. Oh wow, off to a good start here. 4 hour did close bullish. Looks like we're moving back down now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is moving good. I think your best sells here are below 187, 106 here. Yeah, if you can get below there, then sells are pretty clean. If you can get above 187, 785, then you got clean buys. Yeah, if the 4 hour closes bearish, that'll be pretty nice too for price to move down here. So you got a nice clean range coming down. You got one little minor level here right at 186, 655, but that's about it. Other than that, it's a pretty clean 70 pip range here. So yeah, I think you could have took sells here below that support as well, but no top wick on this candle really. So yeah, sells are pretty valid below this support as well. I've started trading just one lots on my 100K. Do you think it's too conservative for a challenge? I do, yeah. I do. I think anywhere from like 1 to 5 is going to be on the conservative end. Anything from like 5 to 10 lots is going to be more so on the higher risk end for a 100K account. Yeah, if I was you, maybe just I don't know if you have magic keys or if you use any sort of risk management tool, Wasabi, but I would just risk like 1 to 2%. Damn. John made you miss the stop on the train? Oh, damn. Yeah, how was London session? I guess you guys just chilled out, right? Was there... I don't see any positions here for London at all. What did London Open do here? Let me see. Nothing. Hey, chat. Very, very, very rarely do we lose a 930 celery. I mean, look at this 930 candle. I haven't seen a dud like that at 930 in quite some time. I think there was one maybe last week, but other than that, haven't really seen a 930 candle looking like this in a long time. Yeah, go ahead and so here's one thing that I tell some of my my guys is that go back test the candle sizes. You see these big boy candles? Go ahead and look. You see how some candles are very small, like these guys right here? Right, and then some are very much bigger, like this red one right here. Go back, right, and let's say you trade the New York session. So go to the New York session and see where the biggest candles of the day are, right? You see 8 a.m., 9:30, these 9 a.m. These are going to be your big candles. And what you'll do is you'll find a common theme that typically around the same time every day is when those big candles present themselves, right? 8 a.m., look at that candle here. And then what, 9 to 9:30, right? So 8 to 10 is typically going to be the highest volume in the New York session. So go ahead and do that sample sizing and that back testing for yourself. Just go find the big boys, right? Look at this, 8:30. Look at this, 930, right? These are the bigger candles. 930, right? It's going to be your 930 candle, your 830 candle. What's this? This is going to be your 830 candle. It's going to be your 930 candle, right? These are the bigger candles of the day. So that's why when you guys wonder, hey, how come you typically always take trades at the same time? It's because we have that data, right? Because we understand that those are going to be the biggest candles of the day, and those are the candles that we as traders want to take advantage of. Nearly had a celery. Oh. News messed with us yesterday. Yeah, you know what? I think yesterday we may. So one other thing so here's the only two conclusions, right, from yesterday. Is maybe we could have just stayed completely out of this area, right? And maybe when we were at break even, like 3 minutes before the candle closed, maybe we could have closed there, understanding that the news was going to come out bad for the dollar, right? That they were expecting worse news for the dollar. So maybe we could have just skated out there. But you know what? That's things that we learn and that we'll take with us moving forward. Yes, we could have said, we could have stayed away from this range here, but man, 930, celery play, clean traffic to the left. I'm taking that. I'm taking that any day. Yeah. What up, Sandman? How you doing? Where's Joey Stu? Where's Joey Stu and Johnny Stu? How can we trade as a trader like Kobe? Yo, that's so weird. That's so weird that you say that. Check this out. Let me go to my YouTube history here. Let me go to my YouTube history here. Yeah, check this out. Trading lessons from Kobe. Holy Kobe. Yo, chat. That's funny. I won't spill the beans. You guys can go watch this. Yeah, I watched it like 2 or 3 times. I was actually about to watch it again here, but started the live stream. Funny you say that. Kobe. Yeah, the Kobe play's incoming. Dude. USD CD. I have no idea what that means. Dax. I don't even know how to pull that pair up, dude. Mamba mentality, no stop loss. What's up with NAS 100? Let's take a look. So we got 5 minutes here for the NY Open. So price is just continuing to chill out in this range here. So this is a no trade range here for me, and we're gonna just wait for a breakout. Yeah, let's look at the NASDAQ here. Oh, nice. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the weekly candles here, and let's see how we can scout on this this pair here today. So daily did close. Daily's in a nice little bearish move. We do have a support right here that it looks like we are tapping into. So we'll see if we got more juice to go on the daily. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours got a wick to fill and then a support down here. So I can definitely see that that wick getting filled here. You have NY open in just 3 minutes. So yeah, I think if you get a closure below here on the 1 hour chart, that you may be good to move down. Yeah, you got about like a 20 pip wick fill, 29 pip move, 30 pip move here. So yeah, the 4 hour looks good. Everything else doesn't look the greatest here. But 4 hour looks good to continue down. I say we revisit this on the 4 hour close. Yeah, I probably wouldn't take anything at NY open. Actually, yeah, I would take maybe sells below here. Yeah, we're bearish today, right? Yeah. Yeah, so probably closures below would be pretty nice here for NY Open. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. 2 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Gold, nothing. Nothing on gold here. Oh, John is in the house. Fresh off the London session. Let's bring him up. What's up, John? John Stewart.
Oh, good morning. Oh, good.
How you doing, sir?
Man, I'm blessed and highly favored. How are you doing?
Amen. Ditto to that. Ditto to that.
Oh yeah.
Feeling good.
Oh yeah.
Feeling great. How was your?
Like to hear.
You got on for London last night?
Yeah, we were on for London. There wasn't any trades taken, as you can see. Gold has been consolidating.
Yeah.
And same with GJ.
Yeah, gold's just ranging here.
GJ moved up since, but there was nothing for us. Bearish bias today, you know.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, this move up here.
Yeah. Oh, nothing.
Nice. Yeah, I actually woke up last night around 2:30, checked the charts. I looked at gold, and I was like, going back to bed.
Yeah, right. Really rough. Really. Yeah.
Yeah, we had a nice move on London Open yesterday. Where was that? That was let's see, 3 a.m. right here, I think. I think it was on the 30-minute. Yeah, you had a celery play right here. So, chat, what did we say before, right? When we were going over price, remember that that move I told you that if you just can get it, you will really, really do well, right? So what happened here? Price made a support, right? We came up, we made a resistance, right? We came back down, created support, and now that volume comes in. What do we say? There's an 85% chance that that resistance will get retested. So as you see here, this is your 2 a.m. candle, your 2:30 candle, and then this is your London Open candle. So whenever there's volume, that resistance, 85% of the times will get retested. So how could you have taken advantage of this? Well, you have a celery play here, right? So buys on the break of the highs right there, closing partials right here, and then letting the rest run, right, to this full air, this resistance at 2017. So that was an opportunity there, right? You had a nice move up, a move down, move up, move down, and then the move up here for London. And then just did a whole bunch of nonsense for New York. Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. Bring out the whole arrows.
Appreciate it.
Yep. Yep. So that's how you could have took advantage of that move in London. And look, what do we also notice here? What do we also notice here? If we're looking at this, what else do you guys see? I spy a. I spy a.
Oh, so-and-so.
Yeah, there you go. Travis Schaub knows the deal. Pack runner. I spy a pack runner. When do we typically see pack runners? Right before the volume comes in on the open. Right? So you grab that pack, you close celery play. Remember, celery doesn't have to be a bearish candle, it can still be a bullish one. And then the break of the highs is your move there to test that resistance up there. Simple. Simple move. Stops go below there. Right? Boom. Stop sit here. TP's up here. Partials are right here. Boom. What is that? That's 16 pips. Right? That's your move right there. Yeah, for those of you guys that are feeling froggy, then yeah, right up here is like your partials here. Cool. So same thing we always talk about, right? Price comes up, creates a resistance, comes down, creates a support. High volume comes in, 85% chance that resistance will get tapped.
They're 100%.
That
That's the
concept,
money
right?
play, bro.
Yeah, that concept will change your life.
Make you good money.
Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, so we're not going to touch anything here on gold. We're going to let some volume come in and give us a direction here.
Keep waiting. Hey, good morning, chat. Sorry, I didn't really say good morning. Hope you guys are doing great. Having a blessed day.
Having a blessed one. Hope you guys had a blessed day yesterday, too.
Of course.
And the day before. And the day before. No. Hope you had a blessed day every day.
And every day of your life.
Me and Johnny was spitting fire in the London about life.
Oh, yes, sir, Travis.
Don't
Great
drink tap water.
conversation today. Yeah.
How come you lost so much on with only 2 losses? What do you mean? Lost how much?
What do you mean by that?
Lost how much? What do you mean by that?
Yo, we need Sam for that.
What do you mean by that? Yeah, what do you mean by that?
Facts. What do you mean by that?
Bench, NASDAQ. Oh, look at this. Did we close below? I don't think we closed below here. So I would not be taking this position. So this would not be a sample size move that I'd take here or an actual move. Did I go through the entire market fluidity course by Raja? I did. Yes, several times.
Got to.
Yep. Later. Yeah, gold, we got to wait for like 8:15 here.
Gotta keep working out our patient muscle.
Yeah.
Nah, but we were talking about a little bit in London today, like the way that trade yesterday, man. Hopefully, you guys understand how we manage risk. I'm sure you talked about it earlier, Dick, but that was money, right? That was a great opportunity to manage risk, and hopefully, everyone saw how you can manage risk and by using the lower time frames. You know.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Absolutely.
Cut our losses.
He means that one loss cuts. Hey, Tim's a grown man. Tim can answer the question. But yeah, that loss, it only cut out 1 loss. It didn't cut out 3 losses. It just cut off this 1 loss here. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, you can't answer for a grown man though. Yeah, we already talked about that. I'm not sure what time we talked about that, gang, but we just talked all about risk and that good stuff. Let me see. That was yeah, you guys don't want to miss any minute of this stream. I'm not sure what time it was, but we already talked all about that. We had a really, really, really good conversation, very educational as well. I think that was around 7:30. Yeah, 7:30, gang. We talked all about this. Go ahead and rewatch this so you can get my actual real thoughts on that question there. Yeah, 7:30-ish is when we talked about risk and our losses and making them shorter, holding winners longer when it's necessary. Go back and check it out. We drew it all out. We talked all about it here.
Yeah, that's what I figured too.
We went deep.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Getting that knowledge here. Jeez.
Uploading boot camp recording. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming Thursday. Yep. It's on the way. What's your top win price? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Got that knowledge on the boot camp? Yeah, man. That boot camp was awesome. Do you spend time using the simulation software? I do. I wouldn't say I spend too much time doing it anymore. But yeah, I still jump on there at least like once a month and do a simulation for myself.
Pretty fun, to be honest.
Yeah.
Run the system up.
Social Trader, they were pretty good. I used them for quite a bit. Yeah, I used them for quite a bit. Now I'm using Traders Connect. Yeah, one thing with Social Trader is there was a few times where I took like let's say like a double position, or I wanted to add a position and it didn't record it, or it didn't add it for me. So that was the only issue. Other than that, they were pretty solid. When are you going to jump on NASDAQ? January. Yeah, beginning 2024 is when we're going to continue to start, or actually start trading this pair here.
Yeah, I'm excited for that.
Yeah. Yeah, if any of you guys have questions with Traders Connect, I'm sure TK will be happy to help you guys out. Just hit him up in the Discord. Because he's that guy. He's that guy, man.
My man.
When will you do a live stream simulation session? I don't know. Maybe we'll do one but in the break. So we're gonna have a break here. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? 1 second.
You gonna bring it up for y'all? Yeah, he's gonna let you guys know the dates right now.
Yeah, so we're gonna take a break here for the year on the 22nd. So December 22nd will be the last live stream of the year, and then we will break until probably January 8th. Yeah, I'm still debating whether or not I want to do the 8th or the 15th. But most likely be the 8th. Yeah, so maybe at some point within that break we'll do a simulation here, just to link up and hang out.
You said the 22nd, right, of December?
Oh damn, my bad. Hold on, chat. 22nd. 22nd of December is gonna be the last day for the last stream of the year. Oh my god. What a good stream. What a good year it's been.
Damn, I'm gonna miss 2023.
Hey, yo, this is the stretch. This is just the year we stretch out. Never mind, warm up.
Oh, yeah, for real. Yeesh, 2024, I'm ready for it. Let's get it.
Ditto. All right, so 8:15 is approaching us here. So we'll see how we do here, if we can blast through this all these supports and actually get below 2012 here. Yeah, don't miss a stream next year. Don't miss it. Get your grandma on this thing, man. Retirement plan. Am I gonna stop streaming or trading during that time? Well, probably for I probably won't trade at all. So you have Christmas coming up, right? Which is the 26th, and then the markets are usually going to be really, really dead in that last week of the year, and then they should start picking up around the 8th. I mean, I'll still look at the charts, set up my zones and ranges and all that good stuff, but yeah, we'll see if we get any volume. Last December was really good, surprisingly. The whole Q4 was a lot of volume, so we'll see what happens in December here this year. My grandma said she joined. Grandma's in the house. Who's a grandma here? Hey, grandmas don't even have to be old, man. We used to picture grandmas like these old ladies. These grandmas these days are like, I don't know, 45, 50, 50, 55. Bro said
That's
Christmas
so
on the
true.
26th. My bad, 25th. Don't be no milk and cookies either this year.
Hey,
Some of you guys
no
got big
cookie.
fitness goals. I don't want to see you guys eating cookies at the Christmas table.
Yo, for real.
Nah, have a cookie, man. Have a cookie. Live a little. Have your Christmas cookie. But
Hey,
you
do what you
guys,
gotta do.
you guys do understand it's a holiday, right? Not holidays. So some of y'all, man, you guys start before the day. You continue on after the day. No. One day. One day is when you cheat. You're going to have that cookie? Have it on Christmas. Not the day following and the day after that. And now you just completely messed up your entire goals for 2024. Hey, you know what? We'll get fit in 2025.
Yo, I think you're speaking for majority of people in the world.
Yeah, one thing I want to get really good at this year is self-control, controlling a lot. Humans have no control over what they, or very little control over what they eat. You guys ever notice you'll just, I remember I used to just open my fridge. I knew nothing was in it. I just went to it. Crazy, right? So we'll just graze and pick and snack and all that stuff throughout the day without even really noticing. All right, 15-minute candle's gonna close here. Looks like we're gonna close looks like we're closing above support here. So, yeah. So nothing we could do on the 15. What would be nice if we get somewhat of a bullish close, a resistance on the 15. That would be nice, but nothing here for me. 8 days of leftovers.
Yeah. It turns into an 8-day feast instead of like a 1-day. And then it turns into like, all right, 2025, I got a new year.
Yeah, just be bored, just like, let me go and grab a snack. Let me go have a bowl of sugar. I mean, a bowl of cereal real quick. That'll hit my craving.
Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, man.
If on a bullish bias, if we close breakout and close with no top wick, on the next candle makes a top wick and then a bottom one and it breaks again, is it valid? Not for me. No, if it has no top wick, then it's not valid for me. Yeah, I've actually tested that out quite a bit. Didn't really work out the best. Yeah, so how many of you guys jumped in on these sells? Because you missed this, so you got very antsy and emotional, and you could have been laughing with us, talking about Christmas cookies, but you got all serious and you blocked us out, and you said, screw the YouTube guy, I'm taking a trade. He doesn't know me. But we're going to wait here. We're going to wait. We need a closure below 2012. Maybe we'll get that on the 30-minute candle here. You snack out of boredom. Yeah, that's true. Where to find the bot shortcuts? What do you mean? Be the bot. You are the bot.
We did avoid fake outs today, though. Of 2014.
Yep. Yeah, it would be awesome if this candle right here could close bullish and then the next one closes bearish, right? Because a lot of times too, chat, if you're looking to take a sell, right, and you want to take a sell right here, well, where's your nearest resistance? It's way up here, right? So if we can get a new resistance here plus a closure below, then I think that's going to be a better opportunity for price to move down, right? It's going to be more of a safer opportunity, more of like a logical opportunity, more of a smarter technical play. Auto bots? Yeah, I'm not too sure. I don't use any bots. The boot camp turned keyboard warriors into that's hilarious. It's a waiting warriors. Yeah, man.
Let's go. That was the goal.
How do I join monthly paid signals? Hey, if you can find it, you can find it. Yeah, my bad. I'm a horrible sales guy. I forgot to, you guys wanted me to do that little Cyber Monday thing or Black Friday. I just did one promotion. So it's on 1 month of signals. They're $199. So if you want it, you can get it. If not, you know, it's no big deal. Is John your friend? Yes.
Nah, bro. I buy the 6-month membership.
He is my friend. He is mi amigo. Oh, 4 hour broke the lows there too. Yeah, daily rebroke the lows too. Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Yeah, John's my buddy.
Buddies. Good.
Yeah.
That'd be a sign breaking 4 hour lows. Let's see.
How'd you succeed at network marketing if you're bad at selling? Yeah, I don't think I really did succeed, to be honest. I think I succeed. I had success in learning, in growing, but I didn't have much financial success there. Well, I had a decent, but not anywhere where I felt like I could.
I shaped you perfectly for the man you are today, bro. The stream.
Yeah, that's true. The chat. Yeah, that's true. Chat's more discipline after the boot camp. Yep. A little bit more discipline here. All right, we'll see about this 15 here. Because the reason why we don't want to take sells here, number one, we didn't close below. That's number one. Number two, our resistance is way up here. Number three, we're bullish on the day, right? So if you got a support here on the 15, what do we talk about in the boot camp after a nice exhaustion wick right there, right? What did that do? That tapped in a lot of sellers right there. So if you get a strong support right here, 830 may bring you up, right? 830 may start to drive price back up in the range here. So that's why you got to be patient, man. Just got to let candles do their thing. If it's no clear sign, if things don't line up, don't take a trade. Less is more.
Not for real. And remember the goal of today, right? The goal is not to make money. The goal is to look for the best trade, right, of the day. So you might want to just make money, but that's not the best trade of the day, right? Sit and wait for that best trade of the day. And that should be the mentality every day.
Yep. In the famous words of Mike Bellafiore, right? One good trade. One good trade. You take one good trade, and then you take another good trade. And then you take another good trade. And another good trade. And that's it. That's trading, gang. So a lot of you guys are focused on money, and that's why you want to take a trade so bad today, because you need to make money, right? But you really got to be process focused, man, if you're going to last in this game, right? If you're just, trust me, if you're just always thinking about the money, you're going to mentally exhaust yourself and end up quitting. Okay. And then anytime you take a loss, you're going to quake like a little baby because no one likes to lose money, right? So if you can start focusing on taking one good trade, not caring about if it's a win or a loss, understanding that if you continue to show up and look for the best trade, you'll have a win rate that looks like 109 wins and 32 losses, right? There, I didn't say no losses, right? There's 32 of them in there, right? But if you're looking for one good trade, you're going to be on top, right? Trust your data, do your homework, and that's it. That's it. No more quaking.
That's it.
No more
Literally.
quaking on this stream, man. Stop it here. Talk to dolphins.
And bro, that's the mentality. That's the mentality every single day, like that we come to the charts. Like it doesn't matter, right? Like how many times, Nick, have you got the question like, yo, I'm down 6%, 7% on my funded account. Like, what do I do? You know, and that's not what's important, right? Your P&L is not what's important. What's important is you following your plan and waiting for the best trade, like we just talked about every day, right? Don't worry about where your P&L is, or don't worry about what the outcome of the last trade was, right? The mentality is simply look for the best trade.
Yep.
And if you can remember that and simplify that for yourself, you're gonna do good.
Yep. Literally, anytime somebody asks me, what should I do? I'm in this situation. What should I do? I have the same response every time. Someone in chat, do you guys know my response? Hey, Nick, I'm down 2%. Hey, Nick, I'm down 3%. Hey, Nick, I'm up 5%. Hey, Nick, I'm up 6%. What should I do next? What's my response every time? Who's got it? Who's got the answer?
Who's listening?
Who's paid attention to me over the last couple months? Sleep.
Sleep.
Yep. What do we say? Just show up and look for the next best trade. Whether you're up 5%, whether you're down 5%, every day you show up, you just look for the next best trade. Not the next trade, the next best trade. According to the data that you have soaked up, according to the playbook you have built, and that's it. So regardless of what foundation or what area you're in, whether you're up, whether you're down, whether you're break even, yeah, just think of it as a logical statement here. Just show up and look for the next best trade. What are you gonna think about it all day? What should I do next? Go full margin and double it? Yeah, I used to do that.
Nah, for real, Nick. And you said it best, and it's pretty deep, but you know, the hardest part for a trader is to understand how simple like it is, right? Like it's that simple.
Yeah, that is true. The hardest part is understanding that it's not that hard at all. We make it hard, right? We're the only variable in the equation here, right? Because the system will do what it needs to do, but we as humans and what we've been through in life and our upbringing and how much money we're used to making and all this stuff makes trading complicated. Not your system though. Yeah, so if you could just follow your system, bada bing, bada boom. Bing bong. All right, let's see something here. Yeah. Looks like we're going to be waiting on the 4-hour close here. That's what it is looking like to me.
We got news at 10 a.m., right?
10, yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, go listen to some of the real professionals, and you will learn a lot, man. You'll learn a lot. I very rarely listen to a Forex trader when I'm learning about mindset, mentality of trading, psychology of trading. It's typically always an older guy who's been trading in the markets for a very, very long time. Those are the people I want to learn from, right? Those are the people who I wanna take their experience, man. I want to, you know, I don't want to waste the time. If they have the answers, I want it now. I don't want to find those answers out in 5 or 10 years. I want to figure them out now. And that's what mentorship does. Mentorship will allow you to shortcut your process. Right? So you want to listen to the best of the best. The real pros, like Mike Bellafiore, Mark Douglas, Lance Breinstein, I think is how you say his name. I love listening to Lance. I love listening to Brett Steinberger, something like that. Yeah, those guys are great, man. Who?
Be the Trader is.
Oh yeah, Be the Trader. Yeah, his podcast pretty good.
The Wall Street Trader, Stock Trader.
Yeah.
Yeah, facts. Those guys are great. And Nick, yeah, that's so important, bro. Like, because it should be continuous learning, you know, continuous growth. Like, you're either moving forward or you're going backwards. You're never just staying the same, right? So it's important that you listen to those audios often, you know, so you can continuously learn and get better.
Yeah. Jack Kellogg. Yeah, I like Jack Kellogg too. Maybe some of you guys heard of him. There's a few guys who I really like to listen to, but very rarely is it some of these like FX traders who you guys all just worship or something. I don't know. Think they don't take losses, or I don't know what it is, but trying to get a Lamborghini. I don't know. Kellogg's for breakfast, baby. Yeah, cream of the cream. Did I ever use a bot? I've never used a bot, no. Never. Jared F. Martinez is good too. He wrote a really good book called The Forex Mindset. Really good book. Yeah, gang, don't waste your time here. This is not worth it. Trust me. Look at this. Raja would slap me through the screen if I took a position in this range here.
Same, bro.
Give me a sec. I'll be right back.
That's disgusting.
I'm going to go bang out 20 push-ups and be right back.
Good stuff. Good stuff. That's everyone's sign to go bang out 20 push-ups. Yeah, that consolidation is nasty. Stay out of that. Yeah, that's what you call consolidation. Pauline Hill, what about him? Man's a beast. 40 push-ups? Yeah, get them done. You're doing 20 push-ups in your head. Facts, bro. Same. Push-ups until failure every time. We're in consolidate. Yo, for real. Yo, people be sleeping on push-ups, man. Like, you can get shredded doing push-ups. Like, you can do all different types of forms and stuff. Like, work on all different types of muscles. I be doing OD push-ups. Work on shoulders, buys, tries, chest.
Whoever said 40, thank you. And then whoever said do it in my head. Yo, you made me laugh.
Thanks. Let's go, bro. How's that pump feeling now?
Very good.
Yeah.
More than good. It's great.
All right, I'm about to go do some too. You just motivated me to do some.
You better. You let me outshine you, dog.
I'm not.
Lemon. Hey, the bigger the consolidation, the bigger the breakout. Burpee push up. Oh, there you go, Donald. Let's go. Boot camp was fire. Thank you, Nick. Oh, good. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah, you know, just get down and do some push-ups, brother. Feel good.
Forex Frank. We're locked in. Hey, push-ups done. Push-ups done. Let's go. See, we make each other better out here, man. See, normally I don't announce that. I just say, give me a sec, and I just go bang them out. But today I just felt like there was some people out there that needed to do some push-ups too. So pretty much when I say, hey, give me a sec, that's typically when I'm going to go do some push-ups. All right, yeah, so not going to take this. What did we talk about earlier when we talked about the ranges? You guys remember us talking about the ranges when we color coordinated them and all that good stuff? Right here. Right, pretty good position to take if we're at the bottom of the range, but once we creep up and close like this, does that look good for a buy? I don't think so, right? Where did the 15-minute candle close here? Right at the top of the range, right at the top of the range here, so nothing.
Right, bro, we continue to wait.
You guys like I'm able to find that stuff quick.
It knows what's good.
I also lift beer cups. I lift beer cups and put them down. Man, I haven't had a beer since I was with Green. What was that, Green? Well, that wasn't the last time I was with Green, but damn, what was that? That time we went out for a bite to eat. That was like a year and a half ago. Yeah, I haven't had a beer in a year and a half.
Next time you go to New York, definitely got a link with Green.
Damn, I had to cancel on Green my last trip. Sorry, Green. Sorry, bro.
Greenery. What's good, brother?
Coffee or energy drink? I don't like energy drinks. I like drinking excess energy. It's got 0 sugar, 0 carbs, loaded up with vitamin B12, ginseng, echinacea. Yeah, I'd rather drink this stuff. Excess energy. But in terms of like all those other energy drinks, I don't really enjoy those. And I don't drink coffee. Yeah, I know. Pretty weird, right? Never drink coffee.
Nah, bro, I don't drink coffee either. Got something in common.
Beer's mid. Nick always cancels on me. No, stop. I love you, Green. Did 16 at a little cardiac arrest. I'll finish them later. Yeah, you owe us 4. You owe us 4. Yeah, Nick was quaking on Green. Yeah, sorry, Green. Damn. Making me look bad in front of 18 hundo. Yeah, I've told people, hey, make the coffee the best. Make it just how you like it. Because I really wanted to actually enjoy coffee. Like, as you guys know, I was in network marketing, right? So we did a lot of meetings, a lot of one-on-ones, right? I always would love to just grab a cup of coffee, but just never liked it, man. So every time I tell people, yo, make me the best cup and let me try, and just never like it. Yeah, sorry. My wife, she's been drinking coffee since she's like 5, 6, like drinking that Dominican and that Colombian coffee. I love the smell of coffee. I never drank it. Yo, for real. I love the smell of coffee, man. It smells so good, but it tastes so bad.
For real, when your parents always had it.
That Bustela, yeah, exactly. Yeah, I've told my wife, yo, make it like the best. And yeah, never liked it. GJ, back up we go. GJ needs a new resistance now. So again, remember, no bottom wick, no entry. Price moving back up here now. Broke the 1 hour highs. 4 hour is moving back up. If you get a 4 hour close here, bearish close, then yeah, I think we could expect the next candle to continue the drive here for the daily. So we have to. So in this case, we really need to wait for some sort of like breakout or onion play, because our stops would be way up here. So remember, this top wick can go way up here if it wants to, fail to break the highs, and then down. So you never want to, let's say you get a current stop and it's right here. It's tough to take that, man, without like a 15 resistance or something, because that high can always get popped and then price can continue down. So we never like, those were another, those are some other trades that in our review of the year that we had taken a loss on, where we trusted in the 4-hour top wick when the previous ones were way up here, and it didn't work out sometimes, right? If this top wick was like right here, then yeah, but anytime it was like way up like that, it price always seemed to, we were right about the direction, but being that this wick right here was the only stop that was given to traders as price started moving down, price can just move up and tap that, right, and make a steeper top wick and then continue driving. So we noticed that too, right? We're on the money for the direction, but yeah, we didn't wait for like a nice resistance on the 15. Latins drink coffee? Yeah, a lot of Latins drink coffee. Oh, wow. Gold moving up here. 4-hour moving up. 1 hour moving up. See that support that was formed, right? That strong candle with the grab here. Grabbed the pack and just moved on up. Yeah, it's a nice 30-minute support here. 1 hour is working on its own support, right? So if we have a support here and a breakout, there's a high chance we'll move up today. Petrol smells good? Yeah, that's true. Yeah, nothing like opening up the shed, right, LeGrand? You open the shed where you got like your lawnmowers and your four-wheelers, and you're like, ooh, man, that smells good. Where's Uncle Scalpin? Uncle Scalp stopped trading. Yeah, I guess he decided to focus on some other things. Yeah, maybe he'll be back to trading. I'm not sure. I still talk to him here and there, but yeah, he stopped trading. Weird price action on gold. Yeah, I know. It's just a lot of consolidation here.
For real.
Coffee makes your breath smell bad. That is true. I'm like, yo, dude. I can hear you from over there, bruh.
Dude, just stop talking.
Go get another cup of coffee, man. Relax.
Give him a mint.
Yeah, we love Uncle Scalp. I miss Uncle Scalp like bleeder, juicer.
For real.
Yo. He'd be like, we gotta break this low, man. We gotta break this low. He was so energetic about it. Yeah, he's
for real.
Yeah, man. He representing Staten Island for sure. I want to break this low so bad right now. Let's go. Let's go. We need a bleeder here. We need a bleeder, boys. Oh, man. Yeah, he's always welcome back. He's always welcome back. He's my boy for life now, so.
And that laugh of his, bro. That would make me laugh.
Oh, yeah. His laugh is the greatest.
Oh,
he's got the best laugh. Anyone whose laugh can make me laugh, I'm down to hang out with y'all any day of the week. If your laugh is funny to me, we're chilling.
Yo, facts.
I missed Saturday's boot camp. Do you upload? Yeah, the recordings will be out on Thursday. Yeah, Unc had that voice, man. He really did.
Yeah.
He brought some flavor.
Yeah, a little bit of spice.
Yeah, I'll have to hit him up today. See how he's doing. All right, 4 hour is moving back up bullish now. Very interesting here. 30-minute trying to get above 2017. We've got a decent range moving up. Let's look left. Let's go to the 1 hour. So we've got this area right here in which we can probably clear, which is going to be about, oh, damn. Well, I guess we cleared it right there. I don't know what that was about. But yeah, tapped. Tapped right there. Joser. Scalpy would be like, Joser.
All right, we're looking to target. Oh, we just hit it.
We'll see if we can target 22. Oh, never mind. It's been tapped.
Damn, Daniel.
My grand would have had the most. I just laugh. People would walk in the room and just start going. Yeah, I love that. What time is it here? 43. So yeah, last couple minutes that 15 candle just ran. Damn, Daniel.
We're about to pull back. Maybe that wick fill. We'll see.
Yeah, if we could pull back now, and the 4 hour gives us, so clearly the 4 hour here is making a statement, right? So we broke the lows and then broke all these highs. So if you pull back, then we may have a 4 hour wick fill ahead of us. We got 16 minutes. Typically the last 15 of the 4 hour will pull back. So let's see if we can get that pull back here. And then the new 4 hour is going to need a bottom wick, right? So we want to see somewhat of a, maybe like a fake out back into this range on the 15 minute. And then we look to move up from there. Yeah. Yeah, because if the 4 hour has to pull back and the last 15 typically does the pullback, then you'll see the 15 look like this, right? And then if the 4 hour now leaves us a wick to fill, which is going to be right here, well, we need a bottom wick on that 4 hour, right? So we get another bearish candle to close like this, and then we get a bullish support to say, okay, look, the bottom wick is formed, and then we can take our buys right off the support right here on the 15. So let's say this is 8:45, 9 a.m., 9:15. Oh, what do you know? The next candle, 9:30. Cool. So we'll see if we can get price action like that on the 15-minute time frame, and that'll be the trade of the day. Yeah. Right there. Yeah, TK, if we get that, you got to clip this part right here. Yeah, we'll see if we can get price action. We'll see if we can get our price action here. Just wait on it. Oh, my buy stop got activated. Let's go, Forex Frank.
Hey, bro, isn't that the best feeling for it, Frank? Just like, damn, all right, TP hit.
Bringing in the moolah. That would be lovely. Yes, that would be, Amanda. Yeah, so again, typically, according to the data that I have collected, the 15 will typically pull back here. That doesn't mean it has to, right? It can just blast off here now, but due to data and sample sizing, we typically notice that if you have a bullish 4 hour candle, that the last 15 will be the pullback. So that way the 4 hour leaves a wick, right, to fill for the next candles moving up. So we'll see if we get the pullback or not. Oh, JP Morgan. Oh. Any idea what that spike was? What time is it? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not too sure why that happened. I think we just broke through these highs here, and then remember what I said about if you break the daily high, you'll get a push. So that's probably where the push happened, you know, somewhere. Yeah, once we broke this high, that's when you juiced up. Yep. Sir, what to do when trade hit B because of spread? Just show up and look for the next best trade. All right, nice. Look at this. Lovely, lovely. So yeah, if we can get another bearish candle on the 4-hour open, right? We want to see this one close bearish and then the next one move bearish as well. So that gives us our bottom wick on the 4-hour. We do this, and then we take our buy. Take our buy right here, and then what that looks like on the 4-hour chart is just, it looks like this, right? It looks like a bullish candle with a wick to fill, and then a bottom wick, and then a move up, right? So this is your 4-hour move up. This is your pullback, right? This candle needs to pull back, so that is the pullback on this bearish candle. This next candle needs to open up and pull back as well. That's going to be the next bearish candle, and then it needs to create a support, right? And when that support is formed, now you're anticipating this move right here, right? The candle to pull up, flip, and move bullish to fill that 4-hour wick. Where's that 4-hour wick? Right here. Cool.
That's
remember what we talked about too. The one move that can change your life. Price comes up, creates resistance, come down, creates support. 85% chance while volume is in town, we will retest that resistance. We will retest it. How do I join
on it.
your classes? You're in the class. You're in the class right now.
Welcome to class.
From India, can I have 200 USD to start trading? Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Pretty sure. Yeah, so most brokers will allow you to start with like $50. Why in this case are we using a 15-minute confirmation instead of a 30? That's a really good question, William, because the 15-minute candle is really going to spill the beans here on the times, right? So as we went over in the boot camp, you know, once the NY open or the NYSE, or actually once the 4-hour candle closes, you now have 3 really good pockets of volume, right? And you have 3 opportunities to be a part of them, right? So one would be at 9:15, so you could potentially enter positions prior to the volume, right? Pumping in. If you don't get your shot at 9:15, then you got 9:30, which is when the volume's gonna come in, right? And if you just happen to not be able to get in at 9:30 because of whatever reason, then you have 9:45, which is basically you're entering in on the tail end of the volume, right? So you're trying to get in for the second half of the volume push for the 9:30 candle. So that's typically why we will look towards the 15 as the 4-hour comes to a close and we expect the bottom wick and all that good stuff. Yeah, definitely didn't want to take a buy here on this closure just because of all that resistance there. And yeah, so that this is our next candle here. So we got to wait now. We got 8 minutes here. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Will you trade in December? Yeah. Yeah, we'll trade up until like the 22nd, I think. Yeah, the guitar is in the house. The man is here.
Man, that man shows up every day, playing his heart out.
8:45, just for us.
Heard.
He's consistent. Yeah, I'm gonna start when the daily candle closes moving forward, I may start to look to show up and hang out with you for London.
We'll
see, we'll see.
Go. That'd be lovely, bro. You know that?
Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking about it yesterday. I'm like, yo, I ain't got nothing to do anyway.
Exactly,
Besides
bro.
sleep.
I would love it, bro. Bro, how much sleep could you get, you know? We got a whole life to live.
Hey, what up, Dino? Good afternoon.
How do we get onto the London session? So go into the London Discord on the Time to Eat Discord. Go into the London channel, and then I will send Zoom links in there in that channel until the YouTube live stream go up.
Hey, while we wait this 5 minutes, I seen some pretty nice desk setups here that you guys posted yesterday. Yeah. Nice. Nice little, oh, I like this. I like the lights you got going on. Cool chair. What do we got here? Oh. Yo, I thought that was a window for a sec. I'm like, yo, where you live, bro? Oh.
That's sick. Not gonna lie.
Oh, this is nice. Very simple. I like this. Simple. Nice. Oh, little action figure going on. Nice. Oh.
Some of y'all got sick setups. Not gonna lie.
Hey. Nice keyboard.
Nice.
Got a Mac.
Nice mod.
Nice. This is what I started streaming on, a Mac. Started on the Mac. The Mac Attack. Oh, nice. Big screen. Let's go. Hey. Got your coffee. Nice.
Yeah, bro. I remember when you were trading on the Mac.
On the Mac, baby. Oh, this is my favorite one, though. Humble beginnings. That's right. That's all you need to start this game. Right here. Right there. Fire.
That's the beginning.
Oh, yeah. I went from a Mac to this. Yeah. Oh, I like this. Yeah. This is what y'all need right here.
Damn.
Oh, this is
Man,
fire.
it's got nice.
Oh, I like this one right here. This is a nice ideal setup. Who's that? Nice, nice. Oh, we got more
I like
coming
those
in.
lights. I need to upgrade some lights in here.
Hey,
In my room as well.
got the PS5, huh? Oh, Christmas tree's up already. Nice. Fireplace going. Hey, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in this guy's house.
Beautiful.
Oh, nice. Fraud? Uh-oh.
Season of giving.
Nice. Yeah, all you need is I used to trade on a Mac laptop too. Oh, this is fire. Oh, that's your wife's? Oh, nice. Yeah, women are so neat. They keep everything so nice. Oh,
I need 'em.
yeah, fire, fire. That's why you need a good lady in your life, man. You know what I mean?
Things can get ugly, right? And that's why they're pretty. So
You got a secret room back here?
let's see. That's sick.
Nice. Yes, fire.
Woman, I know.
Oh yeah. Yeah, guys be throwing their drawers around and leaving the shirts out and you're like, I'm a guy, you know what I mean? Like women keep it nice and clean. Hey. This the best setup, is all you need, right? Yeah, that's all you need right here. Alexandru.
Yeah, for real.
Oh wow, we got a lot of people sending them in here. Nice.
The MT5 and Trading View.
Oh, yeah, this was a great book right here. Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. Yeah, some of you guys should read this book. Great book right here. Hey. Very nice, very nice. Hero of the Day. Yeah, I love Hero of the Day, man. Yeah, this right here is solid too. I like these desks, little round desk. All right, let me get off this
1 minute
this channel here
so
before one of you guys does something crazy.
some weird stuff.
You guys seen how I was slowly lowering it?
AM gold.
Wow, look at this. Gonna close right at resistance there with no top wick. Yeah, let's go look at the resistance that we're talking about here. I think it's on the 1 hour here. Yeah. Right here. Sheesh. So look, above this is super clean candles, gang. So if we can get an actual closure on a 30-minute above now, then we're looking pretty good. Would love to see some sort of like support or celery play above this range here. Yeah, let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, 30 looks good, man. Anything above 2021 365 now is really where I want to take my buys. So we'll see. Gonna need a bottom wick on this 4 hour, and this may be a fake out, so I'm not gonna rush it here. I never like to see that when the 4 hour just launches right away. That's typically. You guys ever heard all bark no bite? That's kind of what that reminds me of. Yeah, the right woman though, the right woman will help you get that bread. The right woman. She'll help you multiply it. She'll help you steward it. So yeah, they did a study on horses one time, and let's say you have one horse, right? A male and a female. The male pulled 10,000 pounds, right? The female pulled 10,000 pounds. And then they put them together. How many pounds do you think they pulled together? The male pulled 10,000. The female pulled 10,000. How much you think they pulled together? I don't know if it was 10,000 either. Let's just use 10. Let's just use the number 10. Yeah, yeah. They did like 80. They did like 80. So what you would expect them to do, like 20, right? Both doing 10. They did like 80.
Sometimes more.
So there's a lot of power in unity.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got a little bottom wick here.
I'm smelling a pullback.
Yep. So look, now it's 9 a.m. So ahead of us are going to be 3 really, really good pockets of volume. 9:15, 9:30, 9:45. So what do we do right now? We wait. We wait. In 12 minutes, it'll be 9:15, right? And we'll see if we can get something at 9:15, right? Or we'll see if we can get something at 9:30. If not, then 9:45, so on and so forth. 80 bands.
Big move up though.
Let's see GJ here. 4-hour closed. 4-hour closed bearish, or yeah, bearish here. So yeah, I would expect GJ to move down now. You need a resistance formed here. So let this pullback go down. You may get a fake out right in this zone here. Right? So if price can close above and then fake out back below, then there should be a decent move coming down now. Yeah, 22. We're bearish on the day here. Yeah, so we'll see. But if you're looking in a downtrend, right, you have a push down, a pullback, resistance formed, and then you could take your sells coming down. Oh, here we go. All right. So we'll wait for this 15. I'm going to grab some water, bang out some push-ups, and I'll be right back.
Mm-hmm. Hey, hero of the day, I'm here. Didn't even know Nick left. Could be a juicy entry at 9:30. Yeah, let's see what the markets present us. NASDAQ still in that range. Yeah, now's the time, y'all. Do some push-ups, get some water. Tell yourself you're the man in the mirror. Mission to save. Facts. Yeah. Don, what's your channel name? So I don't have a YouTube channel yet. So when I get that set up, I'll let you know. Don't worry. We'll make it clear. Can you please suggest where to have swing trade? Not sure. I'm not a swing trader. Jay Stu and Pips, you like that name?
Oh, I like that. Candles don't lie. That's true.
Hey. We do a little day trading.
Yeah, that's true, brother. Yeah, let's see what we got going on here. I think news at 10, right? Yeah, news at 10. Red folder here at 10, so 1 hour from now. Jay Stu and Pips. Jay Stu and Pips.
Imagine.
Hank goes messing up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. At this point, we have an overextended breakout. We need a pullback. Yeah, exactly. So, look, we may go with this pullback, right? So, at 9:30, if price comes in and we close like this. Oh, let me draw that better. Not like a third grader. If we end up closing like this, then there's a high chance that 9:30 will be the candle that actually does do the pullback, right? So it looks something like this, and then you never know, like maybe you come down and that's where you start to come back, right? So today, if we do get this closure, this will be a confirmation candle, and I will be open to trading this at 9:30, and then I will also be open to waiting for support and then trading this at 10:30ish. So again, I love hunting down volume. This is what the foundation of my trading. So if we do get this candle to close with high volume coming in and stops are kept below the high here, then I will look to trade this candle right there. Yeah, this guy.
Back. Especially with that little to no top wick on the 31-hour and 4-hour candle. Come on.
Yep. Yeah, 4-hour no top wick. Close right at a pretty strong resistance too. Where's Sam Capital? Maybe he's doing backstrokes in that swimming pool of his.
Whatever he wants.
He's doing what he wants. FVG. Word. Yep, exactly. Yeah, I know the lingo now. FVG, bro. You said 8:30, 9:30 are usually huge candles, right? Yes, correct. If it closes bearish, respecting the resistance, that's a great... I don't think it can. But I understand what you mean, right? So if you do close bearish here, and you close like above the range, let's say, then I wouldn't take a position. I wouldn't take a sell, nor would I take a buy. What I would do is I would wait for one more candle. And then if we get this candle right here, now I know I've got my support. And now we can move up on the next candle. Something like that. Yeah, good question. I'm just in time for volume? Yes, sir. FVG is fair value gap. Yeah, I know. I be knowing, man.
They were listening.
Got the FVGs and the clean traffic and the clean range. It moves so quick. Will you have time to buy? I don't know. I don't know. We're going to find out, though. We will find out. Yeah, we do know that we will have volume coming in, though. Right? We understand that volume will come in. But, I mean, look, this is our nearest support. So anytime you're looking to take a buy, you want to ask yourself, hey, where is the nearest support? I don't see it. I don't. Holy, all the way down here. Right? So, probably not the best to buy right here. Can we juice up? Of course we can. But is it the best idea to take a buy here? I don't know. I don't know. Right? So, not saying that it can't move all the way up here to 2034, but you may need some sort of a pullback. Yo. Have you ever heard of Steve Moreau? No, but I have heard Don mention that guy's name a few times. Beat the market maker or something like that. Yeah. The market makers are watching us. They're watching. If it's quick, Jomo. Yeah.
No, for real. You gotta switch that mindset.
Yeah, you gotta cancel your FOMO and replace fear with joy, and replace F with J, and you get JOMO. The joy of missing out.
Or joy of missing out because you followed your plan.
When did I feel like I was ready to have a kid? Holy! Am I? I'm someone's dad, gang. What in the world?
That's scary.
That's scary. Oh, nah, man. I don't know. I think you know, you just fall into the, I think everyone just falls into the role. Hopefully.
Do, some don't.
Jomo. Jomo. Yeah, man. I remember thinking, whoa, I'm about to be someone's dad?
That is a little trippy.
Trippy.
I'm gonna be tripped out too.
I remember I thought my whole life was going to change. The first night we brought my daughter home, she had a booger in her nose. I was panicking. I thought she couldn't breathe, man. I'm like, oh my God, this dad thing's insane. Called all my friends with kids. Yo, what do you do when your kid has a booger in their nose? Why didn't they take this out at the hospital? Oh, man. Can we get your playbook? Of course. Yeah. When you know, you know. When you wait for closures, do you wait for closures? Wait. Do you wait for it to close above the body or the wick? So you notice here I have it on the body. So the wicks are just kind of like the breadcrumbs of where price went to, but the body is where it closed. And when the candle closes, that's kind of like what gives the direction or the decision for the next candles. So yeah, I always do it on the closure of the candle. Yeah.
Another great question, though. We've had really good questions today.
Yeah. I see in market fluidity, I see Raja take salary play in a trend breakout. Would you wait for one more candle because of your experience this year of extended breakouts? Yeah. Yup. Now look, this is all clean traffic, right? So this is all FVG, man. Fair value gap, right? So, right? Am I right or wrong? I think this is FVG, right? So this is all clean range for price to move in. Whatever you want to call it, it's a clean range. So therefore, we should move up. But man, you really don't want to take a buy here without getting something like a celery play or some sort of support, right? We also closed again with no top wick here, so. Yep. Project Toro, congratulations, man. Congrats on your new arrival. Yeah, my wife is pregnant too. We're having another baby here in late January. Yeah, got 2 now, 1 on the way.
Numbered.
Yeah. Rafi in the house? I don't think so. I don't think Rafi's on Zoom. Rafi's gonna pull up mainly on Mondays and Fridays.
It's nighttime for Rafi today.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Making the trading floor. Oh wow, look at this. Yeah, if you get a closure, bearish closure here in 11 minutes, then this looks really good. Nice exhaustion wick to the top side. Faked out right in that area that we wanted it to. And I think with did we get a fake out anywhere? 5-minute fake out. Yeah, 15 closed below, 30 closing below, I think. So yeah. Yeah, you may get a opportunity here for sells on pound yen. 17 pip stops as of right now, 20 pip first target, not too bad. Potentially this this daily candle driving back down, the 4-hour candle driving down as well here, so yeah. Not bad. So remember what I said, if you have the 4-hour highs way up here, then you want to see a 15-minute resistance formed on this top wick that's being created. So if you look at the 15, what are we attempting to do here? Create that resistance, right? So yeah, so that's the opportunity potentially forming up. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ too, see what that did. Four-hour close bearish. Oh, nice. Yeah, this should drive down here now. Yeah, 30-minute close on NASDAQ, and I think it's good for these sells here. Nice wick to fill at 9:30. So yeah, if this closes below, I'll definitely be sample sizing a move here. Hey, what up, David Sanchez? What's goody? Gotta be careful with that kid stuff. Yeah, that is funny. Were you reading the same one?
No, I read that one though. That one's funny too.
Gotta be careful with them. Yo, these kids are nuts. These kids are crazy sometimes, man. Whenever me and my wife go out with no kids, it's like, wow. What an evening.
I could see how things could change quickly with kids.
And they like to eat.
Yeah, and better make sure you got 3 meals a day for them.
They're hungry. Yeah, so same thing here today. 8 a.m. candle, 9 a.m. candle looking juicy too. So those are your biggest, notice how those are your biggest candles of the session. So you guys can back test that. Yeah, where is Mike? Man, we hyped Mike up, and I guess he dipped.
Hey, Project Toro, I like that. Goal, full-time trader by June. You got this, bro. I believe in you. Let's get it. Tackling goals, baby.
I eat in the bathroom. That's honestly gross.
That is nasty.
I eat in the bathroom. Daniel, what has possessed you to say that? That baby stop.
Why would you eat in the bathroom?
You've got a kitchen, man.
Heard.
To hide from the kids? Yo. Alright, you know what? That makes sense now. That makes sense.
Yeah,
I'm glad you clarified that.
Try that.
Yeah, it's a safe space, yo. That's funny. Wow, so no top wick, no bottom wick, nothing we could do here. Nothing. Nothing. Ever experienced a losing streak?
It's all good.
Oh yeah. Oh, of course. Yeah, we went on let's see here. We went on
I think losing streak.
Hold on. 2. I think our biggest one was 4. September, no, not in September really. We had a 3 losing streak in August towards the end. July, nah, just 2. June we just had one loss in the whole month there. May,
That was it.
Yo, I could have sworn we had 4. No,
Nah, I think it was just that 3.
oh,
And you said August, right?
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure that's it.
yeah, nah, I thought we had 4. Yeah, there was 3 in a row here in February, and then this was just random losses, right? Just probability losses. Same thing in April, May. Yeah, I mean they were pretty much kind of sporadic here. June, no, not really any. Yeah, I think August. This three-peat right here. This three-peat right here was the losing streak of the year, I think. Yeah, that was it. So I guess 3. For some reason I thought it was 4, but
Yo, for real though, a lot of traders are gonna quit if they take 3 losses in a row with their system, right? Like the wise words, like my man Mark Douglas said, not too many traders can continue to trade after taking 3 losses in a row with their system.
yeah.
Right? So if you can accept losses, you can avoid quitting too, right? You understand that this is just part of the trader lifestyle, right? And you can continue on and continue to be profitable and not get emotional or tempted to quit when you take 3 losses in a row with your system.
Yeah.
You just continue keeping on.
Yeah, no, you know what? I think you are right, Oscar. I think we did take a 4, but it may have been off the stream. I'm not sure, honestly. We may have taken like 1 more in August in this little 3-peat spot, but yeah. Yeah, I mean, whoa, hold on. Let me step back for a minute. This is only from February, right? So if you've seen me in 2019, then yeah, I probably took like 20 losses in a row. Yeah.
Bro, I know. I remember. I'll let chat know. Chat. There was multiple days in a row where Nick came to me and was like, yo, I just blew an account. I'm being straight up too.
It's gone.
Multiple days in a row.
Oh yeah. Gosh and gobble here, man. What's going on? So 9:15, I guess, had the volume. Oh wait, this is 9:15 here. Trading has bored
cool,
me.
gold.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Minty gold and NASDAQ. Go ahead, John.
Man, gold can keep driving 200 plus pips. I don't really care.
To the moon.
Pull back. Go to the moon.
Just pretend it already happened, chat. That's it.
For real.
It's already done. Go to sleep.
I'm totally cool with chat, right? If I don't get a trade today, like, I got the next session, I got tomorrow, right? These trades are gonna come and go, right? Like Nick says, trades are like buses. There's another one coming.
We got all day, air day, son. Oh, nice. Found you guys last week. Oh, 2 days before the boot camp. Got in the boot camp. Oh, nice. Nice, Project Toro. Hope you enjoyed the boot camp, man.
Yeah, he did. I can tell by his comment. He was like, new goal, full-time trader by June.
That's true.
Let's get it. On to something.
Yeah, I was listening to this dude yesterday. He was, or not yesterday, last week actually. He was talking about how it took him 17 days here in November to find his first high quality setup. So some of you guys took 17 trades on the first. He waited 17 days to get his first trade.
Patient. What do you call patient?
Yeah, let's do this. We blew our TP right out the water here, gang. Yeah, look at that. Sniped it. Yeah.
Hey, I mean, we anticipated buys that. So.
You guys look at this on IG and you go, damn, I suck at trading. I would love to know their style. But they just flex the trading view measuring tool, man. It's easy to do that. W. I once took 43 trades in one day. Ended the day profit of 77 cents. Damn. Holy moly. What a day.
Are you counting commissions? Or?
You were probably tired after the day, right? Send the journal. Exclamation point. Journal, I believe. You said 2029, it's almost there. It is almost there. Yup. 2029 is probably next target here. Why you say same words like you're crazy? Because I am crazy. I am crazy. Yeah, you got to be a little crazy to hang out in this game, man. You got to be a little out of whack.
Got to be.
How are you supposed to be patient? Any tips? Yeah. Strongly identify what it is that you want to take in the market. And then anything that isn't that, just let go. Yep. Yeah, otherwise you get sucked in, man. You get hustled. You guys ever been hustled by a salesman? You ever been hustled by someone in the mall? They want to give you this little potion from the Amazon jungle and you end up buying it? You got hustled. You've been hustled. Right? So if you just jump in on anything, the market controlled your thinking for you. I don't like that, you know. I want to wait for what I want to see, and that's it. If I don't get it, oh wow, GJ closed above, so maybe we get the fake out here with a closure back below. Yeah, the buys aren't good until, for me, the buys aren't good until the closure happens above here. What's an onion? An onion is simply just a term we use for when price creates like a resistance. So that right there would be like an onion, and boom. Identify as a pip. No one from Wakanda is sane. Exactly, Shiro. No one. No one from Wakanda has any sort of sanity. Snake
Nice.
oil salesman. You got finessed, man. What was your aha moment? My aha moment was when I found out about a playbook and I avoided. So what I would do is I would stay on the stream with Don, and he would be extremely disciplined to his playbook, you know, and it worked. And I would go against it a lot of times, and because I thought I knew better at that time, and I would take hits, right? I would get stopped out. I would lose trades. I would be in unnecessary trades, and he would just keep doing his thing, you know, and it worked. And I just seen, you know what, the playbook works, right? If I keep breaking the plan here, then I'm never going to succeed. So I've got to stay disciplined to this playbook, because I would take 2 losses and then price would come down, create a support, and I was scared to get in a trade because I was going to lose even more that day. So my risk I was like, you know what, I got no more left to risk. And then he would take a buy off support, have a beautiful trade, and I'd be like, wow, if I just stay disciplined here, I can do this. I don't have to be a rocket scientist. Yeah.
For real. Mine was, I have the same answer too to that. Like the playbook, like it's that easy. Like I was like, oh wow, it's that easy with these setups. Just to wait for these setups. Like all I gotta do is wait for them.
Yeah. And here's the problem with that, right? You come on the desk in the morning at a 10. So if you're looking at a scale from 1 to 10 in terms of your emotions, your thinking capabilities, right? You're at a 10. You're fired up. You're ready for a new session. And then you go and break your plan, and that brings you to like a, let's say like a 7 because you took a stupid trade and blah, 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 blah. And then you tried to redo it again, and you took another dumb trade while we were joking about, I don't know, what were we joking about today? Having a good wife, right? Having a good wife and keeping things clean while we were just kidding around. We were looking at desk setups. You took another dumb trade and lost, and that brings you down to a 4. So now you went from a 10 to a 4. And what happens now? The best setup presents itself. You get a beautiful support being formed. Boom. And because you're at a 4 now, because you wasted your mental energy on 2 stupid trades outside of the playbook, now you hesitate here. And when you hesitate, price moves up. And you go, wow, I'm such an idiot. I suck at trading. Why did I do that? So the aha moment for me was, let me not take this stupid trade. Let me not take this stupid trade. Let me just wait for the right trade, because when it comes, I don't want to be sitting on a 4. I want to be a solid 10 and have full confidence in that position. Make sense?
And that's another reason why you can't get too high on your wins and you can't get too low on your lows, right? Because if you get too high or too low, you're gonna carry those emotions with you now to the next trade, like Nick's talking about, and you could take an unnecessary trade that you would never take.
Yep.
Right, just because of your emotions.
Yeah, and I know this because I've been here. You know, I know this because I've done this. I've fell in this trap many, many times. And, you know, I know. And this was an aha. This right here was an aha idea. It was an aha concept for me. And I thought, you know what? If I could just wait for the best trade, I'll remain at a 10. And you know what? Worst case, I take no trade that day. Right? And then I can come back the next day at a 10. And like John said, that's why we don't get all hyped up about the wins, and we never get all sad about the losses. We just stay right here. Right here. Win, loss, we just stay calm, cool, and composed. You guys will never see me jump up and down about wins. You'll never see me beat myself over losses. You'll just see me right here, following the playbook. Day by day, week by week, month by month, year by year.
Period.
Cool. We should be high at the trade? Yes, correct. Yeah. I needed to hear that, especially now. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Yeah, that's the thing, man. And then like, let's say you wait for a playbook position like that, and price ends up. Let me draw it a little neater for you guys. Right, price ends up doing this and creating support, and you've been waiting for the support all day. right? And then you get that and you take a buy, right? Price goes up and then boom, stops you out. And then right away you try and revenge trade that, right? So right away now you try and revenge trade it and you're like, oh, I'm going to take a sell here. I'm going to take a sell here, right? Or let's just make this a red candle, right? So you get stopped out, you took a buy, whatever. That's the probability sometimes of the playbook setup or any strategy, is it may not work, right? And then what happens is you take a loss, you try and take a sell, and you end up losing that trade too, right? So now you could have taken one loss, but you take a sell here, you get activated, and then price moves back up, right? And does this little herky-jerky fake out thing. So now you take two losses, right? So the one loss was fine. You could have called it a day there, but you took a second one. And then you know what happens the next day? You get a beautiful breakout, 9:30, and then a beautiful position. You go, damn, you know, I could have avoided that second loss there. You know, had I avoided that second loss, I would have recovered the first loss and plus gained some profit on it. So don't try and revenge trade. That was the worst thing that I ever did, was revenge trade early on. It cost me a lot of money, right? A lot of money. So take it from me. You know, if you take a loss, my recommendation is simple. Just wait for the next best trade. Don't try and force anything.
For real.
Yeah, we may get a support here. Right, we may get some sort of support form right here after this closure. You got a heavy bullish trend here. Yeah, man, I would think, I would be like, you know, that was pretty stupid of me. I took one loss and it got me all boggled in my mind. I forced trades. I took two more losses. Meanwhile, if I would have just cooled down, calmed down, showed back up the next day, I would have been set up for a nice, beautiful trade, got my loss back, and been right back to where I needed to be, right? But we shoot ourselves in the foot sometimes because of our stinking thinking.
Not for real though. Like, not only is it gonna help your trading, but it's also gonna help how you feel after the session.
Yeah.
Which, you know, could play a part with your family, your wife, whatever it may be, your kids. You know.
Very, very true.
Yeah.
Yelling at them damn kids all of a sudden. Don't be yelling at
you're
the kids.
upset. You're yelling at your wife and kids because you were revenge trading. Right? So.
I'm in a bad mood today, honey. As you mentioned, Don studied him. His doesn't match yours. Yeah, I think he's changed his style up a bit. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. I agree with all you guys. Yep. Can I enter now? Oh my. Oh, we got a bottom wick here. Nice. Why he changed if it was profitable? I don't know, man. You gotta ask him. You gotta ask him. You know, in life, you know, you got your bubble and people got their bubble, and typically you want to stay within your bubble, right? You just want to chill here and do your thing and make the best of your life. The problem typically happens when you start moving into other people's bubble and trying to figure out what they're doing, right? Just come on back in your bubble and make it the best you can. Not too sure why anyone does what they do. I just typically tend to just focus on myself and how I can, you know, create the life I want. Yeah, no idea.
Mm-hmm. Right, Landon?
Just don't let your bubble pop.
Back.
Seen significant gains in my journey since I let go of FOMO. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, like I said, if you guys really tune in and really have an ear to hear some of the things that we're saying here on these streams every day, you'll start to notice a change almost instantly. I landed. I did revenge trading. It cost me $500, which was my monthly profit. Yeah, that's yeah. It's hard to be a trader, bro. Man ain't lying.
Definitely ain't easy.
Man ain't lying. You will see a lot of people come and go.
Oh yeah.
You'll hear a lot of names here and then gone. Not that there's anything wrong with them. Not that there's anything wrong with us. It's just trading ain't for everyone. It's hard. It's a hard job, but the cool part about it is once you got the knowledge, nothing really changes. You know, price action will continue to do what it does. So once you're on top of it, you got it.
Yep.
Yo. Yeah, you know you need to work on things when your wife knows whether or not you took a loss. No one should know whether you took a win or a loss. You should stay very, like we just talked about, you should stay very cool, calm, and composed at all times in life.
Mm-hmm. You could stay steady during a trade, no matter the result. No one will be able to tell how you feel right after. So work on it in the trading.
DL Fowler's in the house. What up, DL?
Yo.
Percentage gain on the bottom right. Yeah, that when I made the overlay, we were gonna do something different in that column, but we actually just chefed up. You know, we were like, yeah, let's just show like MT5 and stuff there. So yeah, just disregard the percentage gain. I can't change it though. Got to make a new overlay. Yeah, my wife, dude. In my early days, I'd come out the room and she'd be like, "How was it today, honey?" And I had just blown 2 accounts that morning. I'd be like, "Oh man, absolutely incredible. I mean, awesome. I'm just learning so much. We're really gonna kick butt in this thing, babe. Just trust me. I've got this, and yeah, things are going great." I'm like, "Yeah, I'll put a lay it down for a nap today." just sleep my anger away. Arrgh. Yeah, babe, we're doing really good here. Don't worry, you have no worries. I promise I'll provide financially for you for the rest of your life. No biggie, not a big deal. Still in the learning phase, you know? Doing good, though. Feeling really good about this. Oh, look at this. 15. Yeah. Yeah, we got news now at 10, so we'll see what happens. I'll stick around a little longer here today so we can see if we can make something happen. You guys are laughing? That's funny.
What'd you do? You had like buy stops?
Nah, I was
Joking.
telling them how I used to tell Anna how awesome my trading progression is going.
Yo, facts. They don't need to know.
Don't worry, babe. I promise you, diamonds the size of cat heads. You just stay right there.
Stay loyal. Committed.
I'm not crying, babe. I promise. These are tears of joy. I'm finally figuring out not to have FOMO.
Yeah, the failures are helping me.
Yeah, those are the nights. Those are the afternoons. I'd take the little one for the nap and just think about how stupid I just acted in the market.
Take a ride. I remember taking rides with you, bro, and talking about like everything.
Yeah. Oh yeah. She's in another room. Yeah. No, I think she's still sleeping. I haven't been out there in a bit though. I think she's still sleeping. Yeah, 9:47. Oh yeah, my wife's definitely still Still sleeping.
Sometimes I think she be watching. She be watching sometimes.
Yeah, she be on here sometimes. She be on here. My friend gave me your channel today. Do you stream daily? Yeah, I do. Yeah, we stream Monday through Friday. Oh, we started trading this month? All right. Well, hey, there's a long journey ahead. You know, I don't want to scare you out of it, but I hope your friend didn't tell you, hey, I found this thing and it's so awesome and you can make so much money and all you got to do is press a button and you just listen to this YouTube guy and he just drops gems all day and you know you're going to be a millionaire here this year. Yeah, just know that there is a journey ahead, but if you stay consistent and continue to learn, don't worry about too much making all this money right away. Just listen to what we're saying. We want to prepare you for success. So just take it easy, enjoy the process, and yeah, you'll get there.
Yeah, that's like the best advice for anyone. Love the process, like straight up, like get like just love it. Like love getting better, love figuring out, love failing and failing forward. You know,
Yeah,
gotta love it.
We got that money.
Dominic?
We got that money, son. Yeah, money's a tool, man.
For real, someone was, yeah.
Give me 1 sec. Push-ups.
Shut up, Tom. Let's get it. Nah, but for real, someone was saying before, like, yo, it really helps when you guys are talking about this stuff. Like, it really helps me during my session. And I 100% agree with you, you know, and that's why I really think it's so important that we all have, you know, like a self-talk program, you know, that we do before we hop on to start our day, right? You know, like just explain to yourself what your job is simply going to help you think better during the session, right? If you're telling yourself, all right, my job today is to look for the best trade, right? Not to get caught up on one trade, but to look for the best trade. You know, you tell yourself every day what your job is and what the goal is, you know, it's really going to help you. It helps me, you know, when I started doing it, it really helped me a lot. My wife definitely used to know when I took a wild loss. Yo, for real. What's good, Sam, man?
She'll be like, you seem a little off today. Where's that lucky sock? Yo. Quit playing, man. Quit playing. You know we got we got that lucky sock here. This thing ain't going nowhere. Sheesh.
For real.
I closed partials with 75 pips with this sock up here the other day, man. We hanging on. The sock ain't leaving. It ain't leaving. Gotta wash the sock. Nah, the sock I think has only been used once. It smells like little kitty feet. It smells like little kids. What's motivating you? The smell of baby hair.
What motivates you?
Just hanging out with my daughter on day to day, and my wife and my son. That's really everything that drives me. Yeah, I have a calling that's placed on my life from the Lord, and I'm committed to fulfilling it and learning it and gaining knowledge and wisdom along the way, and you know, fulfilling my greatest work on this side of heaven.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I don't really live off motivation. I live off systems. You know, motivation, I'm not motivated every day. So if you're gonna, you know, live off of and do things based off of motivation, you probably won't get too far. You know, you gotta live off systems. So, you know, I'm very tapped into my morning routine first thing in the morning, whether I want to do it or not, it's just already programmed. So yeah, I try and live off systems.
You don't go off of feelings, you go off of your duties and obligations.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Nice. Joseph. The smell of baby hair. Yeah, man, the smell of baby hair at, 2 o'clock in the afternoon when I could be, smelling my coworker's lunch after he burps in the cubicle next to me. I'm smelling, my daughter's baby hair, sitting outside telling her, look at this day God made for you. Wow. What a beautiful day, huh? Isn't it awesome we get to enjoy it together? Yeah.
Beautiful.
Time to starve trading? Yeah, I think so. We might be starving here today.
Yo, for real. I think so.
The day's not over.
If you're looking for yeah. If you're looking for motivation, you need to get self-motivated. You need to remember that why, right? If you're looking to get motivated, remember that why. And motivate yourself.
Yo, that's facts, Dominic. The pain from a dumb loss is good pre-workout. This man ain't lying. Man, did I see you in the boot camp, Dominic? I think I seen you in the boot camp, right? Yeah, I think so.
In the London chat too.
I think so. Oh, London too? Oh, nice. Do I listen to Joe Rogan? Yeah, here and there. I don't listen to everything. The main thing I've taken away from Joe Rogan was that story. Gang, go look up the story. Forgive the curses, but it's a story about being the main character in your life. Wow, that woke me up a bit. Joe Rogan, main character on YouTube.
Oh yeah, that's fire. Was that with Richie the Great, or was that a different one? I think that's a different one.
I can't remember.
Yeah.
I can't remember, to be honest. Why don't you send a pending order at 2017 like you had said? Because we closed right at resistance. Yeah, we needed a close. If this candle right here would have closed above like this with a wick on the top of it, then I would have entered that position. Yeah. But we closed right here, and the gap between price and resistance was this. All right, so therefore I hold off. This is 8:45. Typically, I never take a trade at 8:45. Yeah. No trades here for me. No. Yeah, we understand the move up. That's there, but no actual trade setups for me. Time to fast. Exactly. I'm gonna head to bed. All right. We'll see you mañana. Dream big tonight. Before you go to bed, make sure you revisit those goals. All right, gang? I write my goals down twice a day, upon rising and before I lay my head at night. If someone's writing their goals down twice a day, thinking about them, working towards them, and you're like thinking about it every like couple months, who do you think's gonna win? Watching you, I learned much. Nice. John's doing push-ups, yeah. Yes, this is how it is some days. This is why it's hard to be a trader. Because this is how some days go, man. You know, you're just going to have candle after candle after candle moving up, and at a certain point, now you're like, hey, we need a retracement before we go up, you know, and it just keeps driving and driving and driving and driving. That's trading, man. That's trading. Do I write in cursive? Only my signature. Any sells potential? I think sells are good back below 21. I think anything above 21, we look for a potential support. Yeah. Yeah, a nice pullback on the 1 hour here would be awesome. We only got 3 minutes left on this candle here. So we'll see what happens. Let's let news come out, and then we'll see where we're at from there. Good to see you, Starvin. 100% discipline as always. Yes. Yeah, you guys trust me. I'm hungry too. The name of the channel is Time to Eat. I want to eat some pips myself. But you know what happens to an animal when they try and force a meal? They usually become the meal. Don't let that one go over your head. It's hard to be a trader. All right, inspire your soul. See you later. Have a great day. Trading is not everyday trading. Yeah, I heard a very, very high level professional say day trading is not everyday trading. Day trading is not everyday trading. Day trading is not everyday trading. That's it. Yeah, he's right. Because that was one thing I struggled with early on too, was coming to the desk and getting, remember, I was, coming to the desk, waking up early, doing all this, blah, 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 and then I'm not going to take a trade. That just didn't make sense to me. So it took me a while to figure all that out too. Mindset's on point. Yeah, I know. Strategy needs some help. Every strategy needs a little bit of help. But I think we're doing pretty good, man. I think we've done very, very well this year.
And as you continue on, being with your journey as a trader, you'll go through and you'll see and understand that no trade days are totally fine, because tomorrow we can catch 2 beautiful trades, right? Or maybe we won't have trades all week, but next week we catch a trade every day, right? So, once you understand that, and once you go through the journey of that as a trader and experience those like cycles, you'll be good with no trade days.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I think every strategy is always going to need a little bit of tweaking and fixing, right? I mean, it's not necessarily either the strategy either. Sometimes it's just the person, right? Sometimes, we as, like I said, we are the variable, right? In the equation here, so. Predict the news, Nick. To the moon! Yeah, that's the other thing. Yeah, I remember we used to say that all the time, Z-Gamer, especially when I was on my 100K account. Like, one trade covers, like, all my monthly expenses. So why would I try and force a stupid trade? All right, so news is coming out here. Looks like we did get a 30-minute closure, a bearish 30 close. 15 close bullish, 30 close bearish, 1 hour close bullish, 4 hours still bullish. We gotta wait. Yeah, we gotta wait. Yeah, it's all consolidation here. Yeah, let's see how the news came out here. Green numbers. Okay, so yeah, gold may, they were right around what they were expecting. Same as last month here. A little bit less, but yeah, I think gold will most likely continue down if we're seeing green numbers here. Yeah, we got the Fed speaking here. Bunch of talk going on here now. So we got all these speeches coming up. Bars in the house. Bowman. Yeah. Yeah, I'll stick around for a little bit. Right now, I'm not going to take anything. The 15 is trying to find some sort of direction here. 30-minute looks all right, but the 1 hour is super bullish, and so is the 4 hour. So is the daily. So we don't want to jump on these sells too quick here either. Oh, damn. Been on since London? All right. Yeah, do your thing. Do your thing. AB Mike. What up, AB Mike?
Maybe Mike.
Yeah, this wick should, let's see, 1 hour is bullish. Yeah, I think the wick will get filled there, but not my position. Here's my position, and this is probably the only position I'll take for the rest of the day. So if this candle can close bullish, back above the range, we have a new range that we enter into, and then those will be my buys after creating a support. News came out green though, so I don't know if we'll get that. We may lose steam up here. Damn, GJ never closed bearish yet either. Wow. Rejecting here though. See this level right here? It's rejecting it. Rejections. Oh, nice. Yeah, you're not missing much here today, AB Mike.
Definitely not.
Oh, look at this. Fake out. Fake out. Damn.
For what, NASDAQ? Or?
Yeah. Well, not yet, but potential fake out.
NASDAQ too in a range. Disgusting.
Let's see. Would that be an overextended breakout? This. So if we get a support here, no, because now look. So now we had a support where. So let's say we had a support here, right? And now what are we potentially doing right here? Potentially creating that support. So this now, this was all overextended. This move happened, but now we create a support, and you take your buys off of that support. So it's no longer overextended. Right? Because now you're taking a buy right at support. Yeah, that's a good question too, because not every time, and this is why I don't like taking sells going against the bias and stuff, because you can get your support right here. Like, no one said it has to come down and do all this and then create a support down here, right? Like, that's ideally what we like to see, but you know, for price to move up. But price can create that support right where it is now and be just as good for candles to move up. Yeah, because you're buying right off of support here. But that's a good question, actually. Yeah, this support makes it not overextended anymore. Oh. But we'll see if we get it. Alexandru, what's up, mate?
Oh, Alexandru.
Shiro the hero. Shiro the hero.
Zero.
Sergio TTE Bank Santos. All right, DT gamer later, bro.
Yo. Just saying.
Look at Euro USD. All right, you know what? We'll look at Euro USD. Euro USD.
Gamer.
Euro JPY. Euro yen or USD yen. Where is Euro USD? Euro USD. Oh yeah, beautiful buy. Yep. To the moon. How many pips is this? 12? Oh, 24. Holy, yeah, that's why I don't trade Euro USD no more. Yeah, I used to trade Euro USD in the beginning, but after trading gold, man, it's hard to go back to Euro USD.
Yo, first trade ever was taken on Euro USD for me.
Nice. Isn't Euro USD, is that the most traded currency pair? I believe so. Yeah, look, we tapped into, yeah, we tapped into 2029 there perfectly. So that was the idea there for the day. Well, I think the main target was up here at 34, but that was your realistic target right there. So yeah. One session, let chat agree on a trade and trade. All right, yeah, you guys, what should I do? How about you guys teach me? Come on. What are we doing, coach? Buy or sell? Who wants to come up here and host the live streams for a day? We'll show your account. You can call the trades. You can answer the questions. Who's down? George, let's go.
I know someone would do it. Someone would do it.
Buy or sell? Buy or sell? I'm gonna be on you guys in the chat.
Gotta test them.
Give me the mic. Yeah. Yup. I'll do it. I'm not responsible for anything. Yeah, no, you're not. Nope.
That's true.
So look, pack runner here. So we're gonna sample size this right here, and we'll see if this actually moves down after grabbing that pack there. In 6 months, I'll do it. Oh, let's go. Let Maverick call the trade.
You already know Maverick's gonna be calling trades soon.
Yeah, we'll get you guys up here with your account and your handy dandy skill set, and I'm gonna sit back and just learn for one day. All right, cool. So we got this is something I'm sample sizing here to see if it's gonna drive down and fill that wick. We got the pack runner right there. Sure. George is gonna come up here. Cheryl's gonna be the mod of the day and just straight nuke people, straight knife them. I'll turn into Raja. Are you dumb or stupid? Which one? All right, yeah, that would have been nice too here. Oh wow, that's 20 pips. Shit. Sheesh.
Oh, good. I'm cool and not taking this.
Oh yeah, me too. Yeah, I'm not taking sells right here. I want to see. We're gonna get one more shot here on at 10:30. If we don't get anything, then that's it for me.
Damn. Ooh, nice Forex, Frank.
How long will I stream today? Probably another half hour or so. I don't hear anything. Yeah, house is still very quiet, so I'm sure no one's up yet. So I got time.
Man, it's chilling.
I got time today. Gold is whatever. Yeah. Why you check how many pips it dropped? Just to see. This would have been 35 pip stops for about a 28 pip wick fill. So 15-minute candle showing gaps on 8 cap. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, right here. Yeah, so this is the range you're in now. You're just stuck.
Range, go away. Come again another day.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh,
Alexander,
boring.
Hey, that's a good sign, bro. Trading's supposed to be boring. We wait 95% of the time.
Starting to control my emotions now, but I feel exhausted. Yeah, it's a job. It's work. It's work to control these emotions, right? Why would you call it a day in the next 15? Didn't I mean, I probably won't call it a day. Like, I'll still look at the charts, but I'll call it a stream. Call it a stream. You know, I got these bright lights shining on me and stuff. You know, it gets hot. It gets hot up here in the hot seat.
For real.
Stay here too long, man.
Need to close them curtains, bro.
Anything past 10:30. No, you know I got the lights up here, ring lights, and
yeah, bro.
it's giving me a tan.
Yeah.
Oh, I found out ACAP has an office here in my city. Oh, might try my luck and work for them. Oh, damn. Yeah, maybe you can help me out on GJ then.
Yeah, same.
When will there be another boot camp 2.0? There will be one, but it'll probably be in 2024. Yeah, probably 2024. So you guys know I'm expecting another little one here late to early February. So we'll get some dates. I'm gonna talk about it with the boys, and we'll get some dates probably for like mid-February. Yeah, we'll leave everyone enough time to be a part of it if they want. Those lights get to you. All right, 15 closed, but never closed below. So this is kind of like the range you're sitting in now. So you got this nasty choppy box right here. All right, so there's nothing to do in this unless you're using the barcode strategy here today. Barcode strategy activated.
Barcode strategy.
Yeah, Raja used to bully his viewers, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's gonna do it for me though here.
Yaddy?
Yeah. Yeah, bro. When you hopping off? 10:30?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, if there's nothing showing by 10:30, I'm probably gonna get going. But this candle here may give us a support. You never know.
Sure. I'll chill till 10:30.
Thank you. John's not leaving.
No, leaving. Not leaving.
You can't eat a cold sandwich.
Grown ass man.
Hey, let's go, Alexandru. Let's go. Yeah,
Andrew, my man.
you might catch me in the London session a little bit more pretty soon here.
Go. Pull up.
Some London vibes. Gonna have to get a new thumbnail here. Unless I just pull up on John's Zoom.
Or you gotta pull up to me, bro. Hey, G Sammy, why you capping?
G Sammy, Sammy to G. New playbook setup, the barcode move. Yeah, no, that's been in the playbook. That's been around for a couple months. See, I told you guys, take a buy. To the moon. Just smile.
Oh, yo, Nick, you gotta let me send that. I can't send the Zoom link in Discord for some reason, and every time I send it, it goes away. So
You're gonna have to earn that right in the Discord, right, guys? He's gonna have to hit the achieve the Quaker level.
all right.
If he wants to send that link. Otherwise, you're gonna have to take a screenshot. Gold is floating. Hey, if you guys could like the stream, that'd be great. Wow, that'd be awesome. Yeah, gold's floating right here. Just floating. Did you guys enjoy today's live stream? I know we didn't take any trades, but we really did talk about a lot of very important things, which many people aren't talking about. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys took some notes and really take into consideration what we're talking about. You know, we joke around a bit, but in all seriousness, we really do understand how this can change your life. Like quickly too. So if you guys can get it, man, I'm praying for y'all to have ears to hear and you know, take into consideration what we talk about here. Yeah, I think today was great. I think we really talked about a lot of good stuff.
We really did.
Yeah, W's.
Good to
Yeah, good
rewatch
stuff.
it.
Yeah, I might have to rewatch
Definitely
today's
rewatch.
stream.
Yeah.
Oh, Rafi, quick stop in Taiwan. That's right, Rafi's traveling today.
Rafi.
Yeah, today we really discussed a lot of important things. Rafi ain't leaving.
Thanks.
He's in Taiwan now.
Let's go. My man's coming to the States. Pull up to Florida.
Nah, Rafi's going to like Idaho.
Kansas City. Yeah.
He's gonna be the only Dominican in Idaho. Oh, nice.
Yo,
nice.
safe travels, bro. Safe travels.
Dímelo, Rafi.
Dímelo.
Have you ever read The Law of Success? You talking about the one by Napoleon Hill? Big book, right? Big book? Hey, Rafi, you did a good job, man. I haven't seen a Quaker yet. Rafi crushed the boot camp, man.
Hell yeah.
Usually we got some people quaking like, yo, bro, why did you take a trade? Why don't you take one here, bro? Why don't you take one here, bro? Like, but nah, we ain't got none of that here today. Beautiful job. Yo, bro. He's managing a yoga retreat in Nebraska. No quake zone, yeah. Ain't quaking no mo. Oh, what lot size is good for a beginner? I would just go with 1 or 2% risk on your account.
Invest in
Come
Magic
on.
Keys.
Yeah, Rafi sent the Quakers away. I swear, I'm telling you, man. After that meditation exercise, I was quake free. I was quake free, man. The boot camp is the best quake vaccine. Yo, Z Gamer.
Mhm.
Shout out to
Gamer.
all the mods that were in
Facts.
the taking advantage of the boot camp too. Yeah. Oh, Yanosh. Is Yanosh still here? Yanosh, are you here? If you're here, message me on Discord. Yeah, send me a message, Yanosh. Hey, can we get the likes to 777? They're at 772. I don't care about the 1,000. I just want 777 and just stop there. But if we do go above 777, then we do need to get to 1,000. Sorry, yeah. All right, 773. Omaha. Omaha, Red 57. Red 57. Oh, thank you guys. Oh, wait, we surpassed it. All right, we're at 800. Can we just get 200 more? Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. If you guys like the gems, if you took away something from the stream, take that away and leave us a like. Take the knowledge and leave us a like. I don't even know why we want 1,000 likes. I don't even know why we encourage it, but yeah, let's do it. Gonna go to Kroger today. Oh, nice. Get some aged cheese. Yeah, Landon's on that carnivore diet.
Nice, Landon.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, here we go, pound yen. We're getting some signs of resistance here. We've broken the 15 lows. We're working on the daily low, 30-minute lows here. 1 hour is also moving bearish. Gold is just doing nothing.
Not moving.
Oh, we need 120 more or something. Yeah, 140 more. GJ going to give you one last shot here today. I love the whole stream and the whole vibe. Hey, nice. Oh, Yanosh here. Yeah, Yanosh, send me a message on Discord. I'm going to hit you back after the stream. Classic Traders in the house. What up, Classic? I've seen Classic on in the boot camp.
Classic trader.
He's a classic. He's a class act.
Classy.
Good luck, Yanosh. Yanosh, report to the principal's office. Yanosh, report to the king's stable.
That's funny.
Oh, man. Yeah, man. That 4 hour really closing with no top wick kind of threw everything off here for price on the lower time frame there.
Seriously.
Can't join Discord? Keep saying invalid? Let me get you some valid. Let me get you the... Oh, what happened? Yeah, the link is in the... Yeah, there you go. Nightbot. Is it okay to scalp this consolidation zone with big lots? I wouldn't, but if you have like your own strategy to do it, like the barcode strategy or something, then yeah. Yeah, as long as you have data that says X, Y, and Z. You know, you need data. Yeah, you need data. Alright, I don't think we're getting anything here. 30-minute looks like it's going to close bearish. So not much right here, right now. Let's take a look at GJ real quick. Let's see how pound yen's gonna close. So, not the greatest here.
I got that 1 hour open.
Yeah, we'll let this candle close here in 2 minutes, and if nothing, then we out. Then we out of here. I'll keep it. I'll be on the charts for a little bit longer. I gotta do some stuff here at the desk for about an hour or so. Glory to the Father. Radio.
Yeah, Sam, man, we'll figure it out. We're gonna figure out the Discord.
Yeah, I'll see. I'll probably see you guys on London a little bit more too. Maybe until we figure out John's. Cause I don't. You probably shouldn't start the YouTube until maybe you come back after holiday.
Nah, yeah, no.
All right. Oh wow, it's actually moving down.
And this is a funky candle.
All my life. All right, my bad. I was reading something over here. Let's take a look at, yeah, gold just, yeah, probably nothing here on gold. Interesting. Dang, can't find this. Alright, whatever. Crap. Alright, so 4 seconds here, nothing on gold. Pound yen. Oh, wow. Broke the 30 lows here. Let's see this. We got a London close here. So you got about a 19 pip move down on the break of the lows there. Yeah, let's see. This is a 4 hour. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take a shot here at pound yen. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do this. That's not my trade here. I don't think I want to take this. Not the greatest. 4 hours, a little confused. So, yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna call it a day. You guys can take this if you like. I'm gonna not touch that. And yeah, there's this area right here that concerns me a little bit. Time to pack it up, boys. Yeah, it's time to pack it up. I'll be back tomorrow, gang. Yeah, John, appreciate you coming by. Thanks for hosting the London session for everyone as well.
There, bro. Appreciate you for having me.
Yeah, maybe I'll see you guys tonight in the London sesh. We'll see. We'll see.
Bro.
All right.
I'll give you a call later.
All right, bro. Sounds good. See you later, man.
Bro. Peace. Everyone chat. Have a good day. Peace.
Alrighty, chat. Well, hope you guys have a great day. Hope it's a blessed one on your end. And I will see you guys for Asian session. I'll have some markups in the chat. If I do feel like trade in London, I'll let you guys know. I'll probably jump on John's Zoom if anything. But I'll let you guys know how I'm feeling about London tonight. So good job today. Really, really good stream, gang. Go back, rewatch it, take notes. Although there was no trade, that's totally fine, right? The class today was just absolutely incredible, and I hope you guys learned a lot. That's going to be it for me today, and I will see y'all tomorrow. All right? Wednesday, right? Yeah, tomorrow's Wednesday. All right, cool. Later, chat. Love y'all. Have a good one, all right? Peace, peace, peace. Hey, yo, shout out to all the mods in the house.